But remember, this time here, no, you did the counteraction for the Beenie Man. You did the counteraction for the Bounty. Remember, you know the two man them from before they bust. So were they actually preying you this time now that you're counteracting the songs?
All right. Big keep a show. No, wins a land. See him land with two kill his own, you know. Like 1 week after he clash, you know. One big show I keep down there with me and Bounty Killer, Lieutenant Stitchy, Frisco Kid, everybody. So when me reach a show now, it come like me reach late. Because when I'm bridging it for bring me and the man in up a hitch, that's a one girl have to come bring me night, you know. I don't know what say. I go down there and bun to them, the band stage, I must be played on me and say, Biggie say, yo, a stone over playing on me at the Biggie say. Me sorry say me come late, man, guy come like me can't go by the work. Catch me see them big man that on the stage at the them thing. Yeah, Biggie, you mean can't by the work? You are going to take a show here tonight. I say, you mean take a show? Oh, man say, see that phone there when you cellular phone. The time killer come over there, they just go up there and chat that and see what go on in there. So when man tell me that I look my man go there and say, what am I say to me? Somebody I'm mad boy, man. How much go do that? Wait. And the man I say, trust me, that I go make you take a show. Cause whole I don't guess that the song that them talk about no. Cause Chupa go down and go use the tune kill Dusty week before. So when me see that, me stand up there and look, you know, believe me to God one night time, more and cut it up, cause me I say, you know, do this, you know, guys, look like a problem, you know. And then two me no want to look like I this me at this killer point blank like that, cause that man way. Then my brethren, see it? But when me did know when me look on the girl with Eve out her mother car come carry me I show now. And when me look, me say me done the show already. Oh, me figure escape this at city, you know. Me have to do something. Brother, but that's why I near up to the stage, you know. So at that time now, Sprague bent them, got it bungalow up the like no parties one stage one time. And at that time now, them come over stage and Sprague go see me. I say, yo, gringo, I wish my dad swing go and put the mic in my hand. So when they give me a mic, me just go up there. Like when they done come up, me just go up there. I mean, I say, yo, anything want, you know, my mind, me I say, anything want happen tonight, you know, come in, nah, go back home and DJ, you know. So, the first thing me do, I me go up there, me chat, me song them we play, but I really like what people know. Well, I'm falling, hardcore, play some mash up, me I get me forward them, you know, see it? And then I say, yeah, me no what time me do that one I do. See my back down top. So them time they slam bam the bus now when I reach number one now. So people know it up. So when me chat that up, forward to, and then me do chop you whole show now. I say, yo, big up Bounty Killer. Cause them man is a big star. And when I talk this tune, I ain't looking no war. I just talking lyrics to reach far. All who read Bounty Killer, I say, all who look Bounty, do so. And the whole crowd, see that Bounty fans there. I say, anyway, hear that one, you know. And Stone Love start play secret. I just say, yo, wow, we don't feel. I chat out the tune and the whole dance mash up, brother. Big forward, they play sell down. That's big boy road broke now. And there's some killer them start framing out to, you know, because them I say, a boy, you know, easy, you know, you come and say, I chat to my tune and rare. See? And you know, say, you know, left we dance now and gone and a man put me on a show with Bounty Killer now in Miami. I saw no me go reach a foreign now, you know, brother. Because under that show that when me got do for Stone Love. And plus the song them end up go all out and I play and people I hear about this gringo. When me do that show then Biggie has FM Saturday night, you know, say figure that interview by IRA FM by Saturday prime time something that but Biggie say well I people them a call and I say they want hear more about this boy car. Oh, he's so brave. You see me? So the Stone Love cassette they all both are clear. Say one brother named Gringo go counter a Bounty Killer song and mash up down a Santana one what thing. So as soon as me end up get a show now, America, great music performance them. I keep a thing and they say put me on it Miami up at my high temple. So me and Bounty Killer never really meet up face to face since the Santana be a show, you know. So the man when me go airport, me see Killer. And you know, we know me just go to him and heal him, see me coming out nothing against him, and the man heal me for everything. I mean, I say, boy, I don't know that thing they want to die on my boss. I just show him, man, I want to man, you're good, man. Oh, I'm too gringo, man. You're you, man. Me and Killer sit down on the flight, first class, and me and Killer and Carl, you know, Stone Love the body show. We reach Miami now, And we are stay at one hotel named Holiday Inn, Joe Ravi Stadium. See it? And you don't know, say, right through time, me and cut you apart everything and good and everything. And the night I show, brother, when the guy show it, I'm sure I'm in a car, then they shoot up my item plan. They must say, that show you, I go bust back to place at a venue, you know. But when the show I'm gonna me, I said, John won't start, when me I go say, man, this be kind of my mind, me, I want them to even DJ that song there. But you know, say that song there. I figure DJ, you know. We go to one barber shop, run a one place. A razzmatazz or something like that, and me in a barber shop, and somebody in a barber shop, I talk about the show, but then, which part of them, I can't see them like around on a different side. And them I say, oh, that the show that is on my heart, you go to the show the car. And that boy, they when him bring going up. Oh, but you want to see what rock with him? I go see if him breathing up for DJ that is song there. When killer there, both cellular bill that the song the body, you know, man. We want to see if he can chat that when killer. Yo, it's me here that Mr. Stan boy, I don't know me. They have to chat that guy if that they are talk about. Then that they go chat. Then I don't say. The guy sure, brother. I'm a dry song. What class? We go up there, I'm jam my next normal song. Then that time, you know, we sang, we build one song in Don Street. Have a cabra sitting top. When you need to Don Wise. And when me try that all in Miami, you know, brother. I love me see what me say and we get a couple of hours and then me say the same thing what me say all who love Bounty Killer. Do so. Remember say Bounty Killer show you whole life and them in a place now. And me say, well, big up Killer because you know a big star. And when me start this show, me now look nowhere. There's a target to reach far. Here we know. Wow, we know for yourself and chat the tune, brother. And much is what great much. And we run off. And when you look them up, they call me back. And when you go out there and shell you again, it's like the full crowd in a frenzy, brother. Like the people them can't believe guys like them. I said, this is why I don't care about nothing. This is why I'm afraid of nobody. And you know, say, Bounty Killer come on after me. And at this, some say, you can't take offense to it now, because I first never hear it like myself. Oh, some boy call up one human girl. So I said, but he never really said nothing directly about me, but me, do want me see my talk now? Me see say like it like him a vex now. You understand? I remember me tell you, when we wake up the next morning early and fly out, God believe in I got Trinidad go to one show. And me there America see him, me growing I dub studio, brother. I line sound man line up for dub plate in a bridge. Big dubs man them want that they tune them in a bridge. I don't know what say. Me the America, by the time me the America, a man must come to Jamaica like 1 week after and do a show. And everybody thought call now, like people are link up now. You know, me don't remember call. I believe calling I go on the time of it. Where I saw cell phone and I'm gonna say, yo, Bounty Killer call your name for a show in a break. But he come and he go do a show and go say, oh, the boy named Gringo. Your mama named Lucy, and me walk out from Spurtree, hill back to Warwick, hill back to where and place a shell, and the mother say, oh, y'all want me sell a number, they want it, how much I got that? I saw no him build a song then now, you know. See? But when me hear that, you know, my boss, between me and you know, I laugh, and I know child, because in my mind, I say, Trump, me no business where I want to say, I don't war, I just, make him and do thing, I chat him and chat that him and call me name, Mr. Sitting about him, so I'm not really business with that. Then, when time the Beenie Man go to back one song, we say, why you get your girl, man, and big up and trust. Why you get your girl, but I'm me, my counteract, you know. Because in I sang me ear, man, say like, some uptown boy, them girl, they too cool, so me go big up uptown girl. Where I say, you know, you see, since that's where I go. I go tell my guy yard. When my guy yard, you know, brother, and me a lady saw, and Danny Youth and Simpleton the dep on a show up. And Mirage, same night when me flying, they have to give it, fuel the stage show them. And me run on out there. And me say, yo, Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, big up on yourself, but right now I don't know what's anything or anything. Catch me the uptown, some man run gone back and corner. You that one, boy, me see the girl where you big up and trust. How with that different set of mother can trust. Because you go and big up for your yeah. If people would have dead, people are saying someone on top. Because to me, you know, brother, I just fun me have it up. That if you know those song, and I just know what band me, I mean, no say I mean, and so me trouble on the I mean, sing on the song, me contact on the song, I don't talk about. Me not really care, I got to do back signal. And when we do that, Colin Fat link me up and say, you're mad. You know why is that? I say, no. Man say, I go have a session. I'm mixing lab. And when we go to man, I read them, boom, 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 boom. Louis culture do a song. Babylon find the earth. I said, it are the best. I'm feeling better. Because then you got say, hear that one here? I'm going there, why is it? See, girl, we have big up and trust about a different man and cactus. When we listen had that happen, you would mash up again. Please sachet everybody I hear about it on it. So you see, from that, do that no brother. It's like certain crafts that take against me now in our music. Like the man them a take things serious. After music me I do. And it's like me see the man them about interview and them a call me name in the interview them like me a troublemaker and this and that. Yeah, that's like some man that do interview on TV. Artists, you know. Remember say them man a big top artists, you know, brother. We are running place, you know. And me just do a thing. And I eat my food on a part and I say, yo, I have a friend them see where I were. The man them start take counts against me, brother. I every man start say, oh, this me and this and bravery and none bag of foolishness. I mean, I say, well, we're not this man. I'm music bad. But Beenie Man never really talk in a public like my front by me or nothing. Because Beenie never really said nothing but one killer start call up my name and we went on stage once and at this me upon. In the end. When killer start calling me and come back, it was a good thing to because that make more people know me. You see me? And when me get all call down to go Bahamas and when me look at me and Biggie Smalls at the show, I mean not even know how the Biggie Smalls in time in brother. But I just under the counteraction them and the thing them are spread worldwide. People just want to know me now and we got Bahamas, me look lemon them and come to me and meet them Atlantis Grand and live and me look me go meet Biggie Smalls in person now. And the man and she got me and said, oh, Gringo, you crazy, man. You messing these guys sounds, you messing with these men lyrics and giving them headache, man. I listen, man, tell me about my career in a brother. Then I say, I don't know how the biggest smile. I when me go down, then I want to go meet the man, me and know about him and start to man. Like when me dip on the flyers with him, I start question about him and I say, how the biggest man? And someone at them say, no, I'm big one rapper from America, my you don't know them man, they eat that. But you want to follow rap thing in time, they will just move and dance and we don't know. And then when we go meet him, the man tell me, say, yo, that's them song, like him, tell me, say, he love my style, like he's like, me just do something and it, you know, you're giving them trouble down there on the ground, man, we watching you. So I say, oh yeah, I'm going to go up on the stage, so I'm much of the place and bugger thing and when me take a start, brother. So fighting start going on my career one time, I don't be a fool sitting down. Man, them put me past thing with Ninja Man to go clash now. Leng them, brother. Me and them don't make no arrangement, no nothing. Me go there for 9 years, and man, I promote me to go clash Ninja Man and Sting, you know.
Because you're the counteraction man, so they figure, okay,
right,
Ninja Man is Sting, so you're the counteraction man. So let's see what's going on here.
I know my mind, you know, brother. When me hear that, me never really care neither, because I love that. Because I say, Ninja Man, remember, I tell you, Ninja Man, I heard that. Yes, and Ninja Man, you know, come back to Jamaica, and me and Ninja start make 2 par and they way there. It's like, me and my brethren, so me I said, I'm busy man, a lyrics thing, where me whatever chat some lyrics and rare, but at the end of the day, you know, a Sting thing they never work out, because me go past the people, them never want to hear me there. Me not tell a lie, me never ready for it now, you can come like, me never have the experience certain way, because when me go there in a 7 o'clock man and see crowd in a brother, me feel my belly bottom drop out in the car. You know, so me I do me show them and me I work certain hours and me uncle like, me know how to deal with certain amount of crowd. When me go out, that's why I see that in a brother. Like, you know, when Jam world full brethren. Me as I call you, me don't know how to deal with it, man. Because Ninja Man, you know, even race queen go pretend Thompson Bandigan and Beenie Man and bring and when me hear that, to be forward when man get in a brother, I drop down the whole of the lyrics and fly out of me. We remember what he said. It's like me can't say nothing, brother. Because Ninja Man, I done a man where he will Sting come visit. So, you see, when them boost me, I don't want to put me book like Ninja Man now. At the time, if I turn foreign and go and live my life, but if me do that, me I go look like me coward. And in my mind, me never coward. Me I say, oh, me have to go defend my thing because from they have it to promote that way. Because them a promote it before, then me know, like, me don't know nothing about it, you know, brother. I'm foreign, me then I hear say me and Ninja Man I go clash, you know. Then time that's all you name a fashion them, you know, you to manage me. That hands them, and them keep BRT weekend right now. I'm a friend them, you know, me and them go. But them I tell myself, hello, that like them I say to me say, oh, I'm to your DJ, man, them can't put their bands in about clash and Ninja and about. And how much money I love them in them, man. Don't if you don't know them, man. Foreign them, man. Go and do your thing. All right, but me I tell them, say, brother, if me not go, me I go look like fool because you will like place I go have me say afraid, me afraid. You understand? But I go me there if you go fit you know. And then when we go now, and they call out Ninja Man and Ninja Man talk and then say me pick boat you know. When we go brother, we don't get a chance to see a word. I know me never dead in a car. I just dead before a murder commit. Because which part the murder commit? If me not talking, I'll be at that end to me and I will give me 7 dead. I mean over that. Me not really dead because I know like me the chat one lyrics and Ninja Man kill me or the people them listen. But they not go listen because that is Ninja and him is a giant and everybody just want to hear what him say. At the time, me couldn't do nothing because when Ninja me keep post talk and say, oh no, you're real bring up present and send Bunty and Beenie Man and bang. Me don't know if you say brother, because people them no want to hear nothing when me I say brother. And me believe say, yo, if there are a man clash, I must turn up on stage and chat the lyrics them and people hear and then ban the lyrics them and the power them. Then I did. But me never get for her. And when me left thing now, that come in like say, me I said, John would joke this. Because me not get to chat one of my lyrics them, then I have one buck of lyrics from still right. And I make up, you know, and I say, oh, why am I go over there, go take on it. Because in my mind, and I like me, I say, me not have to kill Ninja Man. Me don't go and go past stage and walk out one couple lyrics side and Ninja because big thing that same way. You understand? How will me look, me never get to chat one of my lyrics them and be a foolish is alright. And me I tell you, you see Brandon, so now, me I say, John, know that, I eat that thing, man, them do to me thing, man, because I think I go and good and the man then come mix me up in that foolishness and rare. But me still, you know, my mind, brother, more time I want done with the music, you know. I mean, I said, you know, so I can't done with it because the way me love it, it's like, if me done with it, brother, I come like, me I do something to myself, like me owe it to myself.
Yeah.
So during the time, you know, man, me have a stamping on my book can run where I go for it. I'm still there, Jamaica, hold it in the brother. Everybody laugh after me, and I go out to my studio and that man, I mock me in the dark, and I say, me be done with music, you know. I'm still not let go, you know. We got Scarlet, we got DJ and Bodyguard, you know. In a bad man town. And I say, me not even go a road. See? I go when me not go a road. But up there, I make lyrics. I want to dance, keep with Bodyguard down the road, you know. I'm a good down there night, you know. I hold the mic and start DJing, you know, brother. And I be a gunshot start fire. I whole like man them down the corner, you know, and I say, DJ, right now, I body stick. Where if you go take them on, so them thing they kind of encourage me, and I say, what I mean, I'll take on the boy, them and I'll tap it. I mean, never stop. Right, true, brother. And when people laugh after me, and I say, oh, me dead, I'm an idiot. I do my things here. 2022 now, I'm there, I do my things.
Okay, you're talking about studio. There's 2 studios that I know, especially dub studios that you were involved with, which was Jaro, because one time it was more like you, Simpleton, Bounty Filler, and those man were really cutting enough tune for Jaro, and you were also over at Exodus Studio also too.
Yeah, we never left out Exodus them in a car. People think me and Exodus are a family in a car. Father wrote me them like a father to me. Hear them is like my brother in the car. Them man they always rate me thing in the car. Even when the studio I build up by a gear them up by yard middle so same studio where Cartel come doing work. Like long before any time the Cartel them now come and town it. I don't know who names up. And me used to do the test all the mic when the man them set up his studio. And midday there I run test run and I say, your studio I got done and we are gonna do some work. And so gear them and my family. I made to go at Jaro studio and we used to do Arrows, but Arrows did kind of lockdown after a time. You see me I say? And then as me tell you, we have record factory. You see me? And then Cham is. But Cham is the thing that spread out now. And everyone we go a Scorpio. And I know to them and remember say still come bill one, you know, him Cell Black. See it? When I ask you I can in place this up. We just stay in the street, brother. Anyway, still there with the man.
Holding the vibes here. Because I remember speaking to Coolface, and Coolface told me that it was really you. Linking with you is really, you're the one that really showed him song structure and those things there, how to really write a song.
Yeah, cool. All right. Coolface used to play Exodus song. So them dying, you know, when them come at Exodus, me did it. Because, brother, me the man really fall me yard and rent house by Exodus living. So just within years still, me have a yard when me living, brother. I still rent one room in a yard just for the nearest student. Yeah, two of me love the nearest student, they want to go my yard in a general. Me don't know the yard, man. All the years people not say me go on my yard. That's how me live in. Me never respond to the yard when me deal with music. So, through music uplift now and them a play song. Coolface, them a look up virgin them. Even you when in legend we in the studio. I mean you them. So him used to always come and watch me when me write the song them. Because I never stop writing. Me a man work with big book right through, brother. I know me one tablet right now, every day. Me a man sit down go my tablet. And me a man lock up all in my house and people feel like I sleep, me I sleep. At 3 o'clock a morning, me a write song, brother. Because guess what? From me have an idea, me have to write it, like me just set it down, So me never out of that because it's like a lyrics factory. Me just always a mix song. And just know say at that time me have nothing else like when me love to. I cannot play domino, I cannot play draft, I cannot play chess, I cannot play bingo. I don't do nothing else, brother. All I play is lyrics. Lyrics me play. I'm a player, music, like me select, like me can select and check on the mic and run up and down and jump at ground and do a burger thing. If you was to me select, not even you can't believe because you don't know me as a selector.
No. Did I mean crazy? So then you said Sting, 94 you went a cash that kind of put a dent in your career. So then where was
no, it was that Sting that
no, sorry, not 94, the Ninja Man.
95 that.
So then where do you end up next? Because you're out here doing your stuff, you got a dent in your career. So where do you really get to really take off again next?
Well, we then did my career and people still I go places, go DJ and people still like me. So me realize that then can't stop me. Because at first me thinking they are gonna stop me like me I got dead. But here when me notice now. People will laugh up to me. And anytime I start DJ just 3 lyrics when me a chat. A man will just say, no man, someone is bad man. You see me? And then they will just rate me back. So, I start touch back if big show them now. Because anyway, big show them, then I start try. Go take piece of it and I go out a Black River Friday night. And then I go out. That's a GT Taylor show. And then I go out one big show of fairs on Monday the next night. And DJ and then Fully Loaded was the next day. When we go Fully Loaded, I never book ferry or nothing, But just go there, I never go for work either. Then my friend them does a roll, and we go Fully Loaded, and we turn up and drink some juice and we do a party and read. Until me and them say stage show I go start. So when me in the stage show I start, me not tell my friend them nothing, me not busy with no friend again. I stage me up and I create a crowd and I say, bust me for bus service. So when we go there, Barry G said to me, say, yo, Gringo, you alright? We say, right, no, my boss. We had call me. And the man called me. When we go there, we do we intro them, whatever. We name Gringo, Santo Domingo, Flamingo from a place I shell, see it? And then me say, yo, big up baby Cham, I'm a good artist. But anyway, me say, anyway, money them I go far. All I'm money when I'm going out of every house for no money. Do so. I see whole beach get up. And then headache with him start play. Na 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 na. I made a good on night now. The what that me go you baby Cham me about that. But anyway, the money they go for. That's why them switch and go down and run past Mariah Carey. And all this on. When we see forward, I'll be frightened. It's like me not even I expect it to be so big in that. So it will be like. So we still say no, I go back in it now. One and two little fans in I for crowd start crew. Because only people there, they might take it personal. Right? So two what she said. You think I get away now, me come on I still, but I like said. I never know big thing, Let me just say one and two people are screw with panic. So I end up leave them because I said I don't need them. I had already been done lucky show. You see part of me get I biggest forward on the beach than I there, yeah? Up till to the day. And then me did it now I see like uproar I go on because one next artist will be work after me, nobody want to work after me. Because it's like I'm gonna go speed up the show. See? Because if you have this big old show, I have a list of artists for work and the first man go up there. Explode the place. Next man start one day, everybody go to heat where crowd in a man feel afraid to face it. So but the killer come past stage now because him never really book it. But he never book fish one either.
Okay.
But him say what I want and he come up and he start talk about that thing and I say, I talk something but he never really call me name same time neither. So in my mind me I wonder where my set like me not get him because remember I say me not say nothing about him, And then at the same time, the reason why I say, do all that song, so I never care about whether him did it or not. It's just because me say, him and Cham have no difference too. At the same time, I don't nothing like me did have nothing against Cham. Cham and me youth. Me know Cham them from doing the park deals when me a drive rent a car, go check Pick Lexus them. Cham them a youth where one ton artists and I tell me, say, yo, bring up, turn was star, respect, and me always read him as a little kid. So, in my mind now, when me I do a counteraction in song, I not bad mind or nothing. Me I chat a lyrics and mash up the show because that me come about. See? When me take a start now, kid I go up on the stage and I talk about burger sit down, be and a quarrel and one bag down bag of mala shitting ass. Now me I say, how I go. But me I watch him to hear where him I say, I don't know where really I get to. And then me I say, where gringo I go? Them the boy, they are dirt boy, dopey. I start this me up now, So when he start this me up now, I say, oh, from me, my talk. And he say, me now have no good song on Baby Cham, good artist, and me no body and one bag of thing, And me I look and I say, hey, I saw you again. And me still and him say, oh, yes, somebody and you come here, come call Cham name, and you not call my name. And me say, I have counteraction, because me did chat one tune about Bulls at Chicago down at GT show, and long Black River Friday night, see it? And then the man, I said, him if he come clash, because he might lord of the warriors and bravery. So when me hear that, believe me to God, me never care, brother. Because me I said, then if the man can there, so I say me come get me forward and lock down the place. And the man come out and I did me so. Me not business, they have to kill me tonight. So some me bore me when you go back on stage now. Me mean say step full of man and be a man, got 100 man kill them apart. And I mean one time I left my friend them like crowd. And when me look push me when you go up on stage. One boy supplied the name Ashley, but when Ashley see me, Ashley know me, I mean, the leader and Ashley niece, CC, Ashley see me. And I said, hey boy, there you are, there you are. I mean, push more time, So, hey boy, I do. Stage where me come. I run out and when me run up on the stage, it show bust like it would grow. And when Bunty look around and see me, man, I jump, you see man jump. So I said, where am I doing? Check him out. I mean, see changes by him, like he never expect me to come. But he kind of, he frightened to how me come back. Because you see 2 days of power, all I'm being on music. Then if he say anything they say, people are going to go with where they say, but he's not afraid of man in that. God make me, So, in my mind, no matter how you chat big and what, me I come back for you, because lyrics me have in a boy. Nobody feel like say me can't turn upside down and reload 16 bars side of you too, See? Because me have that in my head. I mean, I come with no bad mind like I hate there, man. But you call me if you go war. So me come into war. So when me come and he see me, him get bomb, and I move like madman at that boy. Yo, I will kill him, I will shoot him. I will touch him off of this book. And one bag of thing in a bed. See? Remember I said, when me see that now, the man talk, hold on, Pamian. When me look then start hang on palm me every day, them up and mother and cuff me and them that. Like me a disturb show. Like they want to lock me up in a bridge. And then when you look at some, at that time I'm done friend them, me a par with them. My friend them, me a par with them. All my boss, me a par with them, crane boss, but I done in a town, the richest boy, them not town them there, I'm done all now, Be a crane man when I collect be a million every day and drive with biggest van in Ishwell. The man first ship in when I big dodge them in 2,500 V8. I'm a general when we grow with them, I they rate me. So when the man them out in I crowd, I want brother named Mark, Baba Mark, them who that man them have been licensed one, Jerry Dog them, where is up play Silver, I can sit in Gear Exodus them. I mean, done them here with every man strap up and have big machine on their waist. And on a joke thing, I just told me left him and the man go backstage. So some boy I come style me up and I diss me up now and go away. And the man they just come there and back up a big van on the beach and say, yo, what I do? No man to the DJ, your artist coming. I will still and jump up in the van and the man to the van tree crowd and beat people that look on a break. And when they look the next day, front page of newspaper, me and Bunty kill a picture and I the thing at I will go half a tree, I write which part my part there. He CD start, the whole CD show and me start. And me make people remember say Bunty did come I show come go. Because if I never meet you out Bunty killer and couldn't come, they can't go and so but because up till now, every time you hear about that show that I dance mafia, I no dance mafia, gringo them have to talk about because I meet you out killer them make them get mad on stage.
But
and they know that too.
But you see, people almost have it off. Some people have it off as killer, kill you that night. But you didn't.
But you kill me, you're not clash. You can't kill me, you're not clash. Well, you kill me with. Me and you never go down in a lyrics. Yes, I'm if you come past stage, come clash, you come warrior, because you're the warrior. And when me come for warrior now, you say you're going to kill me and you're going to shoot me and they will take me off a stage. That means you run from the warrior, you run. Because if me come on a stage for warrior, you call me because warrior must sleep on a stage and say, "Don Mafia, come up here and make me warrior," and me come. Then I turn up and DJ lyrics and I make people them kill me then. And I tell.
No, that night there was crazy. That was Fully Loaded 99 because Killer, when he came to that show, his thing was more, he was talking for 5 minutes about peace and love and stop the violence and all that. But when it came to that's when it went right back into the badness.
Into the war. Remember say the man say, "War, peace, what deal with." I remember saying make pledge basket that they not chat no more gun lyrics. I look how much you know that and they still a chat. That me tell you. So it's like I'm gonna contradict oneself, I'm gonna tell people about peace and love. And then you are war me as I would where you know a long time in I music, brother. Where you know what say music me I do. Him know say I'm a bad man, him himself tell me that after that. The man say, "Yo, me I have nothing you I mean know say I want good you to worry." And him know say me no hate him, I mean no bad mind him, but him just gonna try him that it's when do this up. He cramp me carry like him I try kill out me carry brother. Because and I found when we get it's like he's ton. He never expected. I would like me could have gone live fully loaded so without not even a song where they are road I play. So just when I see you get them big forward there, I say I take you, I gotta take over me music, then try kill you out because they have it powers I crowd. That's
because I remember Killer one place saying that the real issue was because he knew you from a long time. You guys were partying and all those stuff there from a long time. But what he said the real problem was you were counteracting all of the songs. And that's where his real problem was, where you guys kicked off in the first place. Like one was started doing the most. That's where you guys really kicked off.
But you know, Killer, me ain't say that on interview was that I chew him know me long time and this and that. But when you know me long time now, brother, it would have music to make money and to set myself and live with life. Me, you know, a long time muscle and you a selector. If you a selector, me is a selector. That taught me from warrior in a dance and mash up your sound tonight. And tomorrow, you come mash me up back on my part. I work, I know personal feelings that is, and I like to me know you a long time. Me have to go and itch up around your answer. I mean, I clash much of them sound because me know them on the and music with no brother. You wanna do music to eat food. So if me do counteraction, a sound man I come pay me if you do it up. What if I tell the man, say, me nah do song because I know about it. And my own food, me I look. I know bad mind thing me have, make me I do counteraction. Me I do my work. So where you take personal feelings to that, sir. And you know, say, me no have your personality. Me I do music, brother. There's a space for music. Because when me do my music, a man want it and dub, a man want me come to go and do it. So me just do my thing. I know bad mind and hatred and like me I see you and not this your personality. Everywhere me go in the world, me big you up on stage. Before me DJ me counteraction. But you can't take this forward them. So you get corrupt in yourself and start fight against me. And people feel like me and nobody. You understand? I saw them at DJ at in a brother.
So what was your next move now after this Fully Loaded 99? Because again, right now, this is another dent in your career. What was your next move after this year?
Well, me there studio I do my work same way when me look me see sound man I come. One the tune pan dub and be a sitting brother. Then me did that for the wrong thing me I do when me look people want to me I make money advice them. And me go and go a stage show and me when me chat when me go on stage show gunshot of fire man and say what bad man DJ the man and I make no friend. I'm ready. So I guess what now. They are studio and they are see 2-1 coming in studio and hold me and I'm shot color so jam me out and I say boy right now I then dance send them for me and me a certain DJs so they will come with me and where me a district program and when me look me I tell them say brother the same type of man them will come with me brother anyone will fools me not there so right now here because then I say you see, in our life, you see, you want to get stop and to turn it out here, right? And them the vibes that. I tell them, say, brother, I do music, me I do, you know, and like, me I bad up nobody, I know music, I want me do so. You don't know when I want to do it, but me can't do nothing, because me a bad man. And then, you know, call for them boss now. For them boss, you know, brother. I chop this man, you know. If them man, anything them man, they say, I saw you right. And when they tell the boss, say, oh, that man is humble still in a brother. Man say, I'm music give my deal with and in war nobody and a personal thing and just lyric. And them a claim say, artists I tell them, say, miss me up, you know. You understand? And me did there, I say, John, I'm one that really take it that far that, yeah, I mean, just I tell them, say, oh, everything good, man, and no bad vibe, and no like me, I war, man. And the boss tell them that, yo, you don't know from the man humble and I know why I'm deal with no kill champion and build champion and I below him then. And that's all make he never go no further. You understand? And then they keep back a showing you reloaded. Because I remember I say fully loaded gun and they keep back reloaded. So when me use a reloaded I keep now. And Bunty and Cham go starting. Me tell myself, I have to go take piece of that. So when me go over there now, brother. We make sure we want gringo suit in it. We want shawl over my shoulder, so you know. I want big old broad Mexican cap and a boot with his spur spin and sitting cat. This show when he reloaded now. It's like them keep this show I say me done in a music now. And me dead now in a me I last and me over fully loaded. So that show I have to keep now for people remember say me no exist no more now. I guess who I got coffee take piece of this as well. Don't miss him one man. And when me go up on the beach, my father roll my son, go over there, when he Ricky. And Ricky drive out and leave me on the beach, you know. Cause to him free, you know. Say, when me I come here so come do because me not supposed to do that show here in a brother. Cause the last show kill, I uproar go on with me and kill them. So them a keep back his show now. But when me do what here? I mean, I tell the man, say that show here. Anyway, me no go back to that show here. Go prove back up and grind. My life done. Me don't have no career. So, this is a show where me have to go take on. Dead or alive. Man, go up on the beach and let me one and say, him no live on this and red. And guess what? Show start now and show go on and be a big artist. Eve them and who live a foreign star and up a sitting man and me did this until when I die, man. Elephant man, I see that a card, man. Like, but I joke earlier running. I say, oh, sorry. yo, we can go and do a star. Where I said, I want to go book your book for it, son. I say, oh, we have a book for it. Look, we have look for it. I think I chef, we have book for it and that talk about it. Backstage talk, much up already. They want to laugh, you know. They know what I say. Ratty. We're coming on third World Cup by MC show. I will look, I say, Ratty, me there, you know. But until Cham done a bright, that's how me at them, man. Call me up. Because I'm in a business, now, brother. I have to dead for my career in the dark. I have to dead for music. I better want to shoot me like square. That's when the man call out Gringo my youth. I hold Fort Clarence Abu. Listen to this, you know. The man call me name and he hold Beach Abu. Alright? That's when me hear Abu. If I saw man then now, but I go up on stage, yeah? Because when you hear how much thousand people are Abu, you know, you better not bump, yo boy, you better not go up on that, you know. I see me? To hold me head, man. I take me to out in Abu, you know. Come here, show them people, I say, yo, me I no idiot, you know. I now go home with no boo, go kill myself, you know. And music, me don't idiot. I'm a tap out in a boo. I will tap out in a boo. Me put up my foot on the monitor back so. And stamp it so. And I sit and spin round my back on my boot. And the whole boot turning a forward in a brother. Ah, I send the boot turning a forward. I was sitting where I said. What cowboy style? Pa-na-na-na-na, pa-pa-pa. See? Who see I go dead? Granny see me be gone. Boy, I get shot in a bed. Them life done. I see I go dead. Granny see me be old bitch. Yeah. Yo, it means lockdown. Go shot for the beach. You know what I tell you? Brother, I thought DJs on lyrics over that. I'm not sure if you smash up. So till when me look, me come off and them have to call me back again. Brother, about 3 times now have to call me back on the stage. Are you know? This is that time, yeah? Me no talk no counteraction. And me no call no guy name. Because me show them fool as a boy. Me not have to call them a name to get forward there. Me no business with them, you know. I just do that as fun, you know. Me that man, me have me think them lucky, you know. They ramp with me. I'm going to start reload argument. And when me reload the argument, them, you won't be say right, you know, brother. Remember, some tell you, say, brother, when Cham he left me a show. And when me go home, I'm yard, about 10 carload of people came home, you know, brother. Be uptown, down and so hot girl and so rich people, you know. Brother, you like crowd. Me say, brother, I done it, place done, man. I mean, one of our, you know, brother. And when we come over the stage, you know, I want big crew, me, you know, papa, with the people, I say, Jesus Christ, yo, I go and keep it back, man, and go. When one of them say, yo, can't DJ, yo, Lord, if you know, I'm going to take back the whole place, that's the next day. A big write up in a star. Check out every artist, so I me take it show, you know, because the next day when they write up, they say, this man, out of everybody feel night that this man, yeah, create the history because this man I get the biggest bow in a show and call Tony back in a forward. And that night, the Beenie Man call link me backstage, you know, brother. Because I say, I know Beenie right time, and Beenie Man and my friend and this and we know them Beenie there, but I know like me, that man a par with no artist. Me not plan to par with no artist because you see, for America, me always tell myself, I don't need no artist to do my thing, brother. Me have one DJ. So that night, you know, when we come off the stage and the backstage, I say, Beenie come to one wire, one fence. One fence did if we come backstage like we fence have backstage and I say, Beenie, I push wire and I come through. And me, man, I come to you. And the man come to me and say, yo, I say, yo, my youth. Yeah, when I wicked this DJ, I don't know how them going to tap you. The man I say, yo, you remind me of myself, brother. You know, see what you do? I straight. The man I say, brother, and the boo, you're turning a forward, you know. I'm much of people like this. The man say, in there I show. All the brother them are going to unite, you know. All right, Blue tell me that, you know. All Blue tell me that, you know. Say that, no lie, boy. Me there show me a boy and I say, where the idiot they go. And the man said, Beenie said to him, say, oh, no, Gringo yet. Watch him blood treat and see where he's going to do. The man said, Beenie said that to him when he put me in and say, yo, understand that? I don't know this man here, you know. What I was me was watch him. I see him come out and dark much of the place. Blue, I say, I said, no, man, this man a different artist, man. I'm going to artist is my own. And Beenie come to me that night there and tell me, say, yo, boy, yeah, I wish this DJ. And you remind me of myself. Because you're not afraid of nothing. You know, so when you do what the history you create, and you want to, you know, say, I'm me and you for party out. Fight them and fight you, know, me and you for rolling. I'm not telling a lie, boss, man, when me hear that. My heart feel glad come and say, God know for Beenie Man. Say that to me still, you know. Because, brother, I want man against the world in the dark. Two killer them a beat me and I go on like say man. Killer them a beat me a wicked beating, you know. In a whole I beat it, you know. Me never hate Bounty Killer, you know. And Bounty Killer never hate me, you know. Because I see where Bounty Killer come back, a studio come see me and come sit down side of me, you know. And I share up some fruit and I did it and I hold it back and nothing. No, the man come park up in Land Cruiser right and me put and come out and sit down side of me, you know. And the man buy some fruits and did it and me now look on him and come here and say, I don't know this idiot, you know. Because me have up the man say, man don't like me, you know. And guess what? The man say, Gringo, where you do, man? Where you do, Gringo? Eat some fruits, man, I want to. But think what, man, we're virgin. And you see, just under the right, all the man said to me, but couldn't this him. Because in my heart, I know say me not hate him neither. I feel love, because I remember where I come from. I remember say, John, I kill this, I'm a friend, you know. I'm going to stay and take up to my fruit and I'm with him, I will look me at my friend again. So, in a whole of that, the war there, me never hate Bounty Killer. And Bounty Killer never hate me. He just angry and he just feel like say, way and then I do anything to hold on a career. But me never think I hate you, brother. I just ego. You understand?
Big difference between think and ego.
Brother, the things them we Bounty Killer them and so artists do me people think me that hate them or me fi hate them. Me not really hate none of them because the man them just depend on some ego thing and I do them thing and way. But me understand and know that alright, do them thing. But this way me see man come to me that day and say, the man called slow right side of me and buy fruits them. And the man did it and me nah look on him because I say me done with him in my mind now because I said John the man have fight me that as a man where I come from foundation with them. And me see him look on and say, yo, Gringo, how you do that? Eat some fruits now dog. But the mollish thing on me, when a whole mollish dog, me afraid of you. And you see if a man say that some man did the and me couldn't this him. Because in my head, in my heart, me I say, you know, so me cannot this Bounty and my friend Steve. And me just start name fruit to them and the man turn back breaching again. I remember me tell us, Beenie come night and tell me, say, me and them for real. Because he said, them a fight me and rare. And when him say that, but I said, I mean, my boss, I feel good in myself, you know, say, Beenie and knowledge, say, me in a thing and a whole thing instead in fight and everything. And you see next day, me there on the yard, the Monday evening. Brother, I go home and tell all my woman. And I said, Beenie Man, them, Beenie say, boy, me and them to roll and rare. Because you know, I couldn't go home to my woman with a food there, brother. And my woman pregnant in a dog. And I have to depart road, a fight the road to make her money, to take care of my woman. And I said, John, how me figure a stage show now? I'm going to get two and I go back to mama now. When me I go tell mama say, I dead, me I go dead. And me just say, oh, me not take that. And then when me go up now, me I tell her, I say, yo, you know what I'm saying? Then boom me on the show area and me go to go mash up this here, man. Why? You know what I'm saying? Beenie Man, I said, me and him prepare and rare and sit and rare. And when Beenie said that to me, even though I feel good, that as I got through 1 year and come to it, guy in my mind, me still that I don't need no Beenie. Me an artist, half of my own. And me one and say, yo, you sure you want to party with them man? Them remember say, what time are your lyrics? Them then go down and friend you for take care of you. I said, no, mama, you can't say that boy, man. Man, a general, man. Them man, the big on that, man. I see it? And I tell you, I said, next day, I'm there at my yard. And I said, my virgin come around there. One of my virgin is a party in Bullet. And the man I said, dog, come in, dog. And I said, what want? And man I said, you know, see my boys told us to be in there, and the man I asked me for your dog. And I said, you feel link up, dog, and rare up. I'm ready up and I'm go with him. I'm being in the ground and mother yard, like then he just buy some furniture and I put some furniture in the house. By the time we link him back, he said, no, I call him. I'm going to go down there. I'm going to go check him. I did the reason. I said, yeah, man, we are par and we are waiting up over La Rousse and all about. And but I tell you, like, brother, if I roll with Beenie as a youth now, Come I remember back being in and I said, but no, my virgin, this man, I know him from where I look and the man rate me for me. I said, God knows that. I respect him, because my sister is like, he must show me love now and he must make me feel like, say, all is not last in this music game. So everybody is not the same. So, man, you know, we left from La Rose and we grow on I tell you, we got a water house. We run on one woman, one girl that used to do that. And go in the house and must go job. I say it. Because when one time we were there with Panny man, some man I get weary all I left, you know, man I call a taxi and I left, you know, that car. Night I come down and I get later, man, and go out. But me, man, we don't believe in yard business, I not sleeping when I deal with music business, brother. Me a road dog. When me say road, I road. So from me part the big Grammy star and sit now, me pay over go yard. I road and so there with Bambini, a big crowd, me just down in a lane and send go buy all food and I cook and one over city. But that time we go in, he will push the room do I look be in the trench out in there sleep. So be picnic everybody depend on the bed. Guy, you know, like the little picnic them what I did it. And then jump asleep, talk side eye, and the man in a big glass sleep. So, and then change them everything. This is on me. I said, John was there, but the man go and rest. But me nah left. Because I'm a boss, see it? So me hold it in that when daylight, and the man come out there and says, I'm still out there. The man I said to me, said, John, no gringo, you're a real soldier in the dark. Because when he started acting for next man, and he said, then gone. When I said, gringo, then what one? So where you sleep? What? Me say sleep what? Oh, tell me there I went last night and cook all food and be crowded. Come down and teach show go and and so I said, yeah, what dude, that's kind boy. We can't if you enjoy a real youngster and he must say, me I walk around and my baby mother. And we walk go up to Gully Bank in that. Me and the man and the man said to me, say, yo, you don't remember when we used to do the road there when we had to go to much of stage show cars, bridges. And me I say, yeah man, no going where I'm a virgin in the man, yo, John, far what you not come from, I'm doing some boy this year, but DJ for you. I said, yo, fight them and try fight them and me, I have to start tech man and rare. All right, I know you say all the lyrics, say more time, give it one of the lyrics, them up the chat to man and rare. Oh, I'm going to make sure you're good. So when me hear that, I said, brother, all the lyrics, I said, lyrics are not my problem, brother. Work in a song you want, we are do. And then he will go by and the man send me for one, you know, like, you know, one reading my play. He call in one brother we have a van or something and they might play one rhythm. And then panana, 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 panana. A rhythm there were a Christopher rhythm, like a jam his son. See? We did the Alice rhythm. And we gave him a tune. Right, there's up on his spot named Straight Prison. Because my if it be a straight prison. My virgin name major one, you know. If you start drive every day, me and my party and a license, you know. So when I go on the road, you know, every police in a rural a street prison in Ballard guy was like, go ahead, with them I look for them and go about them business on the next side of traffic, you know. He must say, yo, a straight prison was going, you know, this year. Where we are going? So me take up the talk and build a song. But me did give major one in song, you know. A major one in me say me make that song for and when me look major one, guess we got major one in. Not straight prison, man. Major one in America. I get 10 year rappers in it. So right, as in get it 10 year, we have this song I play with in my brain, but me never really chat it because when me as a channel, I want him to deal the song for. You understand? So you know me have this song and be talk, chat it by the rhythm, and I say DJ. Straight prison, brother, touch it 12 year rule, 11 and start sitting. And the man says, yo, that mad. Right, that way me and the man grow and jam it. And the man voice is singing, you know. Dynasty voice, man, I read him, you know. Saying, it's only fine, yeah, this is Rasta banana. And I saw the man voice, really man start playing in a van, brother. Me and the man driving a red Chevy. Based on this, I wait for him up at Exodus, he do some dog play. The man walk by Exodus and drop back and say, back again. And we did the wait for the man, remember, say, look at me, this is a brother. We did the wait for the man, brother. Till the man wake up. And when the man wake up, the man do it up, the man sit down. I saw a way in the evening marriage and me had in a brother. From yesterday, the man road. And the man said, the man has a green way, a real soldier still. Can't allow me not sleep or nothing, you know, brother. And I said, them brother, I'm here a roll, man. I don't let you hide, man. I'm here a bar, man. The man takes and drop me from my yard and way. The man, you know, fly out. The next day I must gone and one 4 part and around in the pan in the road for a while. And when the man come back, the man link me. And when me link back, the man evening, brother, the man have a rhythm a play, where Goofy. Goofy they are producing. How you go? Yeah, Goofy. Yes, Goofy. I'm a key man, I tune on the rhythm in the car. You know what thing go? Every time I go on Beenie them and them I play a rhythm, me that man ever have a song for game like from the boss I play a rhythm and the boss want go voice. Remember I said I'm lyrics so I can't chat no on the rhythm doing it, but more time him want go voice no I plus me even voice produce and a business with me now brother. Cause the whole of them does a laugh up with me till they get the Beenie on the rhythm to call them and some buck yo, you hear me? That's why I'm a top business with producer right now. I don't music have my own, A boy can't program my brain and nothing again. Cause I'm wicked. The man who come around here and go on the most way and talk with most thing and boy who never joke upon the rhythm to area when they're done by this song. Then go on with it, then business with you be in the song, then they do it. And me write the song with it. But now big no fast will nothing cause me don't have me things up here, dear car, me drive with big set and rims and the man buys it and move it. Yeah. So that I want to come by.
Yeah.
Is that? So but then and it become a thing where if a man come with a rhythm, me voice at the same time, a man voice me, in gone, I really be in the one on the rhythm, he put out being business with my career. Because them man that help you, brother. So it's like if they then you have it up high, but you just have work, see what catch you don't want to work. You don't start see that way yet like it really affect you yet because you still do music and you're happy around music, right? So we love the music, we just had do the thing, brother. We never have no bad mind and talk like say, boy, we want to take over the thing and we don't know say being a general and we did it and we have to go and hold up the camp. We now make it dogs it hurting to find you say. You understand?
Mm-hmm. So let me ask you something. When you were linked with Beenie, how was him and Killa at that time there? Were they warring or were they good? Where were they in their saga at that time there?
I'll be a war, man. What a war every minute, brother. Lord God. Every minute one mix up start. Because when me at par with Beenie Bounty Killer start for him more now, brother. Remember say me and the man turn back friend, And then one war go broke again, where Bounty go say, possibly gringo and something, that. See? Cause true, the man a claim, he here now say, I'm me, like me arms up Beenie. See? But if me and Beenie are bad, I him and Bounty are bad. Then what you mean? And lyrics have to go make brother, what you mean? Cause me now go apply with you and I want to warrior and me turn up and look. Me a war man to around with me now. If you is a war man and a man a warrior friend, then you have to give your friend some ammunition to as a girl and go murder boy them. See? The man them have me for white and I say, oh, all the boy gringo. Oh, a long time killer them want to kill me. Because they want to say, oh, that boy them is dead. The war get hot again. And then you say me mix up in the war too. So I say, push it on the gringo, this bit open. And the bottom top my the opening. People look good, people look keen. When you look around, mad again. So as soon as we be a meaning go back this song, What's that? In this war, I hope you get yourself a gun. Man, I go there, I hope you get yourself a gun. Chichi Taliban, get yourself a Chichi. Alright, it's a Chichi Al-Qaeda, Chichi Taliban, and let me tell you so. Me that man not up watch news, documentary, everything. Being them laugh at them, I say me coming like a old man, me watch too much history and too much city, brother. But me always want to sit there and learn new thought, new city, walk one in the world, really. So when the lyrics them build me have everything in my head already. Then computer brain be in the car. So when me said Chichi Alliance, he just a card me a join, and then when I listen to Bounty say Alliance in Cronium. But the war did hot. And me did have to turn up in the war too. Because I now go have my friend and two in a war, I run left me. Me no live so, Me a April born, brother. I last me I turn up with your thing, Me no switch from my side,
So it's like now you, Beanie, it's like you and Beanie versus Killer now, because you're now back in the war, as you said, because now you almost got caught up back in the war by accident. That wasn't a whoop.
Oh, you know, so by accident, we go mix up back in the war, general. After the war, I try to run from. Then, but true Beanie tell me, say, yo, hear me now? Bounty killer. The man him a fight up with you and me and you fit par. So me and him start par as a friend. So, for the war, I go broke back now. Me can't run left again. Me don't have to go dead now, brother, and defend your thing to catch you. You done, like, you did kind of defend me to, you know. Even though you never come out and defend me publicly, but you come and you par with me, for sure, say, you're in, like, you're in a me thing then as a DJ, too, as a big top man in a game. And I was happy about that, me not lie. Because when you compare with me now and say, Gringo, me and you for real, then the most good something that man, because I remember say, you're a big general in I think doing a brother, and you acknowledge, say, yo, Gringo great, you know. We can't just listen to and everything. So at the same time, you did have an ulterior motive stuff, because you were come with drain my brain box and told me what is stuff. I mean, woman, I want me about you. And I tell me, I cuss me woman. Me I war with me woman now, you know. And I said, no, woman. The man you can't say that about me general, man. Man, nah, do that. Because the man I tell me, say, be a big thing we are going to do now. Just make sure say the lyrics they about, and you might go make sure say me good and way and this and that and bag of synthing and way. So me just look on him as a top man in IT and I say, yo, what you mean? Robert Boss said that he might go do it. He said, we are work together. So this man is not going to make anything go mess up. Because me I do my part to fulfill the deal, even though we never sign a deal on a paper, but we sign a deal like word of mouth deal as two friends. Where me I say, Jano, if you're big enough, where you win, you depend this top of your game, and you still remember the days when we used to roll away, and that's you are show me back a respect now. Me not gonna be the first if you hold out on you and bad mind you and corrupt and I think twice. Cause you see me not bad mind. Me heart just clean and when you say I think brother, we are gonna work with you because boy, we are gonna make this thing work, general. Yeah, with Jenna. So me just start give the line them to spit. No for them. And then I like so when me I give, me not have voice to. Me have voice to. More time my voice I me song by me listen, you gone with the same way. The voice I song out when me listen, man take your voice over on different really random. Boy, I say you would have me bury your song in. What me I go do? Why my virgin, sir? But I say, all right, dad, I say nothing, man. We make new song, man. Because song I know nothing for me make general.
Computer brain.
Computer brain, the man call me. But it start get to a point where it get like it overdo now. You know. My sister this thing I overdo. Because when me start notice now, general. Me the in a camp, and me the artist. And it's like, me not have no career again because everything me do now is just by you. Because if me even voice a song general, look go back me listen, and you a chat it by one stage show. If you hear me with a lyric, I'll me chat you over one part and it please mash up. By tomorrow me hear you a chat it. So it will become when me have to start praying now when I say. But if me give 10 lyrics to yourself or 20 lyrics, I mean have 115 when me see it back, where I might think them there. How come if you take my thing them and still at beat? That mean you know wow, if you do no music then. You come like me an idiot then in this game. Yeah. So no matter your heart clean now, you know, you start free back songs now and that. But you know, to one grumble you know, cause you know I know why I broke, you know, but at the same time you're happy you know. So in the game now, you get away with one night time. We couldn't take it no more, brother. We ruined we got England.
Okay.
I really run away in a brother, because my brain under stress. Cause you know what I mean? Me say things are right. Me and the man do his song. We say, get yourself a gun. Scatterbury label. This song I must have been whole brother. This song I done the road. Everywhere me go. And I said, me can't understand, you know. One ticket I used to buy with Baby Cham, you know. I be all about in a Land Cruiser van, you know. Him and him a vice all combination, you know. Now him come back, I call him and Lady Cham, you know. If the man a lady, well, you are him, man, you know. You sex him up when you don't go to England, you know. Something is wrong, you know. I said. And that part, I sang and take your road. pam, 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 karate rhythm. Guess why? Wickedest thing was strike me in my head, me like me nearly drop down out me that. This song I play everywhere, I say blood clean. I bust me bust now, Beenie, say no anything I wrote. And then guess what? I go and dance all night. But you don't have mobile. I see song I mash up the place, I did there on the zone. I believe I'm a virgin go and I'm kind of growing its own. And when the man play a song, brother, but take your record from him. That means I take your record and look on it. I say, look on the song general. A Beenie Man name alone, me see on the record, I me see M. Davis in a bracket. Nothing about DON MAFIA, nothing about my name, nothing. Like me not dead on the song, brother. I just promise see that, brother, nearly dead. Come here and say, blood clean, oh come. And when me link scatter barrel, I say scatter. How that? I scatter them and my friend them and me bring scatter barrel them a road in a brother. And me bring Vegas them a road and the whole of them in. I used to carry them on the road when them and look you out in and try to go show them road and say, yo, what this we doing? See, Bensley, I have the man who are there, you there in that. Me not turn me back on the youth them. When a man say, I do music now, I try to encourage man, I say, come back. When me carry Vegas gas to and a big man to advise him. I laugh at him. When he in Clifford Cemetery, I live at EPICCCC in that. See, and guess what on my boss? When my car get about no answer, scatter. Oh, come me son put out and a lucky place and me not see me name on the record. Yeah, man said to me, say, oh, you been you have to go ask about that in a brother. Me don't know what to do a boss. Let's see if me hear that, I start notice it. You know, my mind, I start praying and say, Jesus Christ Almighty, God. Word of it, yeah, people, hey brother, when me hear the man said that, you know, say I'm my best friend when me trust with the whole of my career and me trust the man with my brain in a hungry. So yeah, demon missing them for chat for him deal with the thing. Because me feel that him a go on do back something for me in a end, God that can tell me. And me find out say, but if this a man I go tell the man say, nothing put my name or sitting on a record. That means say, in a long run, nothing, and that means nothing not dead. So I start praying. And I said, no man, this can't work, brother. This can't go so. Unless me have phone, I must tell some woman I cost me every minute, but the other way I fire back at man never. From me know you do your thing, and you ever do your thing. Where you need man for. And you don't know say, me not listen to me woman, because me a cuss me woman end up not be a war that. Because I every time I be thought, all right, me that man, I'm going to studio me used to do overnight, you know, brother. And me a go home to one know say a studio me did know. Me start there about and much and see me sometime and you think it. Now with life out to mash up and I say, John, I know I work, me I do man, I beat them, I do things, man. I'm telling you, man, problem. Me start praying and so now. But I tell you a lie, my boss. My brain get tired, man. That is like me I do a thing and over me I feel like do the same thing. And my brain get like me I said, this not right. Because I'm not supposed to be at that place and the only thing me I do have a benefit somebody and me not see no benefit in it for me, brother. I get up with on a flight guy.
Let me ask you one thing there. When Beenie Man was touring and stuff, were you touring with him also, or what was the situation with that?
Yeah, but they see that touring something there now. We go up on and tour with Beenie Man and whatever, but it was just more of a experience for me. Like, we give thanks here when. Can we tell you about Beenie? That man, when I come from this place and contact, like, it was all bad with Beenie. Beenie is a brother to me. I love Beenie from my heart in general. I know me not yet. But, you see, Beenie still, I don't know that. Yeah, if you just done with someone and just go live your own life, brother. Or if you have your own brother, and them a move certain way where you see say, boy, John, we don't make no sense. You just love them from a distance because you see being around Beenie is a lot of experiences me out, which is good same way. That Beenie, let me tell you, Beenie is not totally like it's not how you would disrespectful or treat me certain bad way in a youth. Beenie I want good youth in a general. And that's why me and the man in the car so long in the car is not a like a fussy old boy when me can just done with and hate and say, I'm a jail and trip. The man is a brother to me, brother. The man teach me about certain things in a music where me have to appreciate. And me see him doing work and me love the man career as a brother, my youth. And me love him as a brother. And when me and him go up on road or foreign or whatever, sometimes me there around him and me left gone do all me one thing and try and make a food for myself. And all if the money not right, me not try broke no wire sometimes. Because only for money we go down and get. I don't know big money, but two enough to with tour, brother. We can't make them nice. And then sometimes me get corrupt and go and not tour to come in, bag a fly up and don't have me come home. Me still not see where me a fly. You understand? I'm not afraid of a plane. I'm more afraid of that plane, brother. When I go up and plane, me afraid to be reach when I go before this job. See? And anyway, me there with Beenie, I can help him. Like make a link or do a thing to make it food, make me I go do it. Me do that over and over, general. I me see food make in front of me where Beenie as my brother feuds said mafia. All that. Pop off break give me out. Cause the whole way a parasite say me nah live pan you. Like parasite style, like me a beg your money and say me a do work to make money go in a year pocket you. Just treat me good, now, brother. When it takes for me and my brother live good and they treat me good. I just that type of problem, brother. So when me there at one place, I will meet all somebody, them with upon different thing, got them a big star. Me the man was sick, which part food can name, cause half of this a link I say, yo, daddy, where put all business to people and the money come for sure. And when you look, the money come, and them have money in front of me, break my out, and pop a piece of everything, give me that. Yeah, go style me and tell me, say, yeah, man, you get that. And when if you get him, you can't get the general. And I'm here, and you know, say, me love you for me, and they want me to do that. I'm done when you're going to live your own life, I'm going to live your own life, that man. Yo, I say, brother, I choose when I'm good on that detail about something when I go through. So, dangerous thing where pass some man, then get wicked. I'm back, I'll gun, I'm big war and sit, and I nah do that. Come here and say, you know why I nah do that? But nah, this my friend in our music. Me, I hold it down to the last thing, brother. The road we got foreign in a brother, and when we got foreign, me I hear a song them I play all about it. I escape, me I try to escape the song. All right, let me tell you what that kill me most. Me write the song them, and me I go everywhere, and the song them I play, and everybody know the song, and everything, and when me go, me I hear them. And when me look, me can't show nothing after when me I do. It's like me just do it, and people think me all right, and me I pretend like me all right, and me not let down the camp neither. And then at the same time, I blood, I suffer, me I suffer that. And I'm me, I do the work that. I'm money I make, and me can't get no money. And when me go out foreign, I saw me go find out about publishing when me go to England and that. And when me find out about publishing thing, and the man them case and start draft up something like that. Me say, queer, I you know, I rich, I don't know what that is. And then through that now, when I time, one little vibe go on and them I say, boy, it go reach down to a level where a legal thing I am. True, me still rate this man as my brother. Me I say, John, give me a chance to go work money with him. Because I don't want to reach that level there yet. And this man is brother my youth. Beenie my brother my youth. I'm going to be Beenie Man my youth. I know what time I'm still going to look at. I said, John, them man will set up a rule again to make you roll it, yeah, and in your heart, build love you out for them. Them man will just contact some bag of thing boy and talk, oh, them man they can't write a song, them man they can't be lyrics, them man they are cooked, them man they don't live now at the same time, build love you out for them, you. And they know say I build like them at every try push it down further, and they still do it. See, but me still not hear them. But when me I tell you, say, brother, a man can only take so much and no more. And me say, again, God bless Beenie Man same way. I'm proud, me glad to experience that I have with him as a DJ, and me learn a lot of things about you, about music around you too. See it? I'm not going to say it was that bad. But when it come on to money, brother, me and you can't agree. And that's why I'm done. I'm done with me prefer dead for my rights, brother. April, me born in 27. No man can clown me. You can only clown me for so long. Because you all clown me, I say you clown me, I did it, I would it see me and I watch you. And you don't know, say me know when. And you see, when me make up my mind and done and go and go with business, me know no man tell me no foolishness. Because if you not do the right thing, the thing can't solve. And me not do nothing wrong, me can't do something right, and you want me to do it right. The man will do it wrong, I him to do it right thing, because you are my brother, and me deal with you from my heart as a brother. So you have to deal with me as a brother to Batman. Everybody around him know. Say, that's how you go. be blow them everybody man yo. No sir, you see me I really hope to be the thing. I mean do my best me could I do. And give you hits on top of hits that day. When Bogle dead and the whole town want kill you. And me there me had a fine song gon' give you. Them tell one bad guy lion I tell them some why come frame and I go me know that. So you have to say me no good. I me never do nothing for you and me never write no song. And me write the song them gon' give up people brother and tell you how to sing them. And I like it that to tell me to write one. Me just do song and give up. I read him to be able to tell man where to play and read it. See? And me put my best in your thing. And you diss me in the end, brother. And say me a coke it and you know say me not take enough work. And you say me a rum it and you know say me not drink from that. And you say me can't DJ. And you know I lie. And you say me can't write song and you know I lie. You can't tell them they lie that on me, brother. And then you always stay now. There's a man will go behind. When he come off of media, he talk good about DON MAFIA. Because I know that. You know, he's not, all right, see him, he's not a man where attacks on sitting by me when he's dead, half of media, you know, because he know it truth. The whole mafia, who do that man, I'm a DJ man, and very. But you see, anytime in the media, it's like man just chill and just try to put everything out there to put down DON MAFIA to make people hate me, brother. Until live on me and say, me can't DJ and me can't ride with him and me can't this and me can't. You have to top there sitting there and that I alone can't see problem, brother. When me just have to just know say, me hold my own and a man hold their own. But no hard feeling, no hatred, no bad mind. Me love you to the ground, you. Do your thing, man, because you don't say me I don't know nobody and me no good and me no this. So no worry about me, man. Just do what you do, brother. I got in a brother. Hear me out there? God will help me. I mean, always I do my work and my music me live off. I mean, I'm going to nobody come put me down and try me look like me can't do what me. Because you see, same work when me do from them down at the low, I eat me still I do today. And I live off. Do dog play. All you see them me do more dog. Every day man send me rhythm. Say, yo, right, that's angry. Yo, but me I work same way, brother. Me never stop working at that. But there's a thing in the industry called politics. Show me an outspoken person. I mean, a rebel. I mean, a tech holiness for no guy. I'm not business all you did. But just chat it out. I'm done with you. I mean, I'm bad, but I know how me have you. Big up Capleton, you know. Big up Butcher Bantan, them, you know. Big up every artist who read me out, the big and smiling. Very Hammond, them, you know. Chronics, them, you know. All of them, Freddie McGregor, them, you know. No friend me having a music, you know, that. See it? And you want me getting there real. I didn't know me real. I mean, I really was my friend artists for beg them dog plate and beg them money, you know, brother. Me give you energy. And time I come around you, me give you your glory. Don't try make me look like me not give people. Me give people in glory. Me deal with people on a level where boys, I real way. Me don't know no other way, brother. Taurus, me can't bother the hypocrite road.
Why do you think Beenie Man would say certain things on air about you and then say another set of certain things off air about you? What's the real issue?
Boy, I don't think blind could I see that because I tell you something now. See Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer man with the talk in mind and then he chat the truth and he done it. And that's why I rate him so, you know, because certain things we might not see eye to eye with him, you know, but you can't take that from him. He's a man who just come out and say one sitting. I say, yo, boy, Gringo, boy, mafia area when he looking done. But I see him back, he say, oh, he come back and talk all the truth to and say, no, man, that will be all right, man. But yeah, one man will just look at that and say, yeah, me what talk, them are good about this idiot. World, I go glorify him or give him glory. Done with it. And then just chat one idiot sitting boy, and then when they come off the media, they talk one different thing, because they know it's true too. You see me? So, at that, I think more than a man now go and give you glory in front of the crowd. Them prefer stigmatize you and say things to make people hate you, like and demonize you. Like, even if I world leader, then they will come now and demonize a next world leader because them and them not on the same page. But you see me? Me not stay that way there. Me not demonize nobody to me and them not deal at the time. Make sure tell you say, Beenie, forgetting glory same way, because I'm a G. Beenie, I'm a Dan. Beenie, them, I'm a boss. Me not diss them. And anything me and him could have settled with one meeting general. Hear me I tell you? Because if you work as them strike, and the government start threatening to kill the worker and run down the worker with gun and one bad up the worker, the country mash up. The worker them strike, the government can meet with the worker them and work out a deal with the worker them and make the worker them feel satisfied and the country on again. So that a problem. Because if we see people strike, I know those not all people strike for. Yeah, you can be friends and a parent. We are friends and me just get up and for nothing, me run away and gone and depend me. And something, and it have built up over the years and I say, nah, change. So me go and go my business and up. Yeah. You understand?
Another part that was in this whole saga was the clashes. That's with you and Vybz Kartel, because this was all in the same Beenie Man time and everything. How did those clashes come around?
All right. You see clash with me and Kartel now. First thing Vybz Kartel, that man, everywhere you see me. Pranny man, Pranny man coming, I think. Anywhere you see me a DJ, I always want to clash me. And you know what? When Kartel want to clash me, I not even know him. I don't know who is Kartel in time. I'm going to go out like Fort Clarence. I don't know, one sitting where them so keep man, front line. I remember when him, but me go DJ there and Mr. This would come and try to wire me. I clash me lyrically. And believe me to God, no most. Me that man know. If I go and dance now, I'm so alcohol, you would try to clash me. But nah, this is me. Me just spit lyrics from him and we walk out with things. Yeah, we are friends here. You would have about it. I don't like me care who want to clash me or who want to say this about me. And lyrics business that. And then Kartel the man know, he see me back on it, he want to clash me in this and that. But when me there Waterhouse a Beenie Man birthday party now. But they on stage a DJ and me done DJ like me on stage 15-20 minutes I chat out my lyrics them. Beenie Man give Kartel the mic and make Kartel come and see and talk. Oh yes man, see that now? Me and you can have her as friend. I set up my thing there with you like it's like you me and your part. I mean what say a man who can't be a sitting. Me as your friend. Me not fear go on like say, you're glad to see a man come kill me. You feel say, yo, see man them in a rare you set up clash behind stage after me done up their work. Send out man bam with my car. But me never feel a way about that because the clash they go away with me turn up there and me defend me thing and me chat my lyrics them and up till now I me want turn up and DJ them the type of lyrics against Kartel. That's why them video clip in the internet I got viral everywhere. Me go people that tell me about it. I said, John, what you my name was I say you're bad. Because me I speak real argument in a brother. When me I chat gun lyrics, all right. I am boy I chat. Me a madman with gun lyrics. I think some boy can't build gun lyrics like me my youth. If me go figure kill DJ a problem, but the problem is enough of them no want me clash them because them with us use big talk to call me down and then when the time come we clash then try go and bad. But Kartel really me and him clash for sure. And the clash end up in one part where he coming like me tell him about his woman. And so me tell him about the woman or gunshot fire and the clash done. But Kartel mash up the place and him doing thing and me don't say not mash up the place or bad or what. But me do my thing to me turn upside down him and enough of them idiot they were chat them free to turn upside the Kartel. They not turn upside the Kartel. Can no matter how them big them free the Kartel kill them. You understand? I mean that man chat me lyrics them and we spit out me argument them and me no business and me have whole more argument. And next day me and Kartel their studio have a drink. You understand? And I like we did hate one another or nothing. Kartel, I would you Kartel don't tell me already, say yo you. Yeah, when I wickedest thing in that DJ business. When the man say I'm here when I wickedest racist. When the man there water food him I watch me on DVD and sit down and say, yo, this a man I maddest thing. He rate me for true. And if me and him clash and he kill me, I be and him eat now and toss up. Me not have that up and say, boy, kill me. Me not business with that, brother. You will win tonight and tomorrow you lose. I saw we go in our street. We clash DJ, we lose tonight, tomorrow we win back. I saw music. So, Beenie thing, I never like say, chew me apart, Beenie, but Kartel tell me long time, so if you do me one thing, I know Beenie, because then I'll let me go in our music. And I tell her, the man, they tell me that. And that, me I tell her, say, you see, in our life, brother, more times our man tell us, don't sit there, we say, you beat me, say, but they have to just learn, live and learn. I learn by my mistakes. So I'm not pride me right now. I'm glad to be experienced. As me say, me learn enough round the king of dancer. I mean, I appreciate the time when me and him still part because it was a part of my journey. But we just couldn't work together as a team no more because in my mind, I don't feel that's how work arrangement should be. You understand? So they must say, you know, if you watch certain things, but as your life you live, I have to live for your future and live for how you set yourself. Allow me to tell
100%. Last question for this Beenie Man situation before we move on here. These songs that you wrote and anything, did you get any writing credits for any of these songs that you wrote?
Well, after a while, I find out that I start get, like, me start stick out on the thing. Because I say when we start, we never really know about them things. When I do music, we never even know about credit business. But it's like after a while, I start find out, no, so I start stick out on it. And then when they start reach a point, you know, I guess I guess so the problems start come up because I'm gonna tell you, I say, yo, dog, you know, if I watch things and read, but me have to watch things. Because if you wanna take care of me, and I you are my brother, then I have to start get serious about my business now, brother. When me get serious about my business now, who know I say me have free out the thing and me watch money and them bum no brother, now what me I do? Now where me I work. So if me did I work with you, I deal with me official when me can say, yo, this time I have everything locked, man, we don't have to worry. Me don't have to watch certain thing. But when me go find out certain thing now, I may start dealing with me thing different now. Like everything me do me, I make sure that put my name on that. Come on down there, they want people know the producer them know they're not even here. Cause them may have all my girl if you become a student, it's a stranger enough in waiting. It's a stranger? How would that go? See? We are around with my girl and we say, yo, me and mama come and say, yo, no stranger enough in know what I want. Cause they don't know what people say, you what do we think? You know that? But me love Beenie Man and I respect him, man. My brother that, man. Him brother them know, him friend them know, so me are really okay. But you see, working arrangement with me and him couldn't continue, so. Because my heart never feel good, brother. And through that, you say, me there somewhere, I'm not contented, I'm not happy. You better I just take with myself. And when I take with myself now, them vex no one start talk bug of foolishness about me and I tell you lie about me. They're all me can write lyrics and me there in a 2022 what you say. War them want me now back down me ready. All when them a job for them shotgun me ready. All when police come for crack down me ready. All when them straight say me start done me ready. www.mafia.com me ready. Western Union send me cash come me ready. Woman Mafia want with the lock down me ready. Pay the T-string or the crack down me ready. I don't know me ready long time and I'm ready. Long before Ken them a sing rock steady. You know them a say them a star and them a move said they never see them a uptown Monday. Did I run away the England me par with my wife named Debbie. New York City me go link up jelly. LA me a roll with me big brother Brady. Red van pull up jugs loud and heavy. Tell us me chew cover me like a jelly. Boy I can't just tell I call that Freddy. Tell you body ready so I beg man I beg it. Chop it at the ready one night. Oh me down with that. Why he that we can't write lyrics can't say that the choir me just say.
Computer brain.
Computer brain. So no give and then credit and go dig up piece of money and give me boy I make go do some work. And to mash up dancer. I want to style dancer and I want like king. Don Mafia in general in a lyrics business and you say that out of your mouth too much time you be truthful to yourself and do the right thing. I say Mafia, hear me now, brother. Rare. I make people talk as a family and team. Because me a family when I did years. And while they do so I see wrong with them I do all link. Me nah hold out. Me I say, yo, brother. But we do a thing, brother. Dancehall need this. We could not do so serious work. Please could not shell the whole bad thing could not do. Because my brain ever up enough. You think that boy can't do my brain. You can't do the computer back there. That you know. Oh man, feel live a life that is punniless. Woman that book me for a show when name punny fest. Me pass punny exam and punny test. The way me love bad girl them call me punny fest. Grab up me condom, gone pan a punny quest. Me ain't no grown a hotel when name punny quest. Punny to the right, more punny to the left. Punny east north south and more punny west. And a tear off the G string that a punny chest. Tell them a chat about your curl but your punny blessed. Both chat about full of weight punny best. Come on love punny hands up show test. Me go what punny have been near to punny lane. Out of punny boulevard near to Pune Main, a papa Pune bus stand, pan Pune train. Some boy leave them no understand the Pune game. The poor girl for me sitting like a Pune crane. Any child when me walk ball fit Pune tail. Boy I lose them girl, me get the Pune blame. Me wife left me just show me cut the Pune tail. Me get more Pune every day that time in Pune here. But we have a Pune sunshine and put oh me make that. Then I make that. Well I say go on lyrics. Me a bad man with me gun in a me and me no like it for returning farmer. I shot me shots fire murder Ben guy no chiche man can't rip on me corner. Me have a gun me land from here to Saudi Arabia ready to kill cool and shiny white man and nigga. Yeah this me and get when me take it out from your neighbor. I shoot up all you man when she gone in a labor. Me see the van her belly and a ball for the savior when me turn on him and kill him up on her one son behavior. Shot the dog boom low the out, show out the big Chevy blazer. Gunshot and cut half them neck like a razor. Rush to them body. Again, with me. I'm mad as man.
Computer brain.
Oh, I'm no man.
Just sometimes the computer chips, you see me? But computer.
What you say? Weed. What you say? Weed. Man up, we don't a orange chill, we don't a green chill, we pack in a lot, and in a stack, and in a barrel, we fill them with sorrel, touch me weed and me with quarrel, we give to Beryl, and Cheryl, and Daryl, we da bona pa Bobo Hill, we da bona pa Warwick Hill, we de show na Nannyville, mo we da go down a Mandeville, we do shape like a daffodil, we de cut up in a pill, we do make you run fast, we do make you stand up still, we do make you rust out, we do make you frost out, we do make me the child home and go crash out, we do me put on and I go look for me trash out, we stone me bring and Babylon glass mash out, passing whole crack out, knock out and black out, but them have the crack out, tell them pick up the crap out, take them to the rehab, make sure them get a wash out, make them and not take them flip like it. Yo, big up Buju Bantan, my boss, keep it on me, general, I'm to that. No man can't run that here, lyric business we deal with. A choke load that's sitting where we are. So we want to chat all tomorrow man, I interview we are going to.
Want to ask you about situation that happened. This situation happened earlier this year. The passing of Merciless. I know you and Merciless were good friends. You guys recorded songs together, all type of stuff. Tell me how that situation even affected you, and when was the last time you spoke to Merciless before he even died?
Brother John, woman, me say Merciless. Me say, me vex, no man. Every day we have to think about Merciless, man. The man will make you laugh till you're dead, brother. I be a lyrics man every day. The man have a bag of sitting attack. They fight Merciless, the man have suffer, man. I'm going, you want the man dead, my yo. That end up that man dead doing my yo. Yeah, you see Merciless, brother. Me and the man have rolled for how much years now, and he's a man with that man. They be the lyrics at this me. I want a song where he said, "Bring go and Moses and sit." One time, some war I go on the man. But Billy and he called me name that song. I when me see him and I said, yo, Merciless, oh me have to be bridging my youth. I do song and I this me here, man. So you know, say I shoot out of them boy here and you turn upside of them gunshot now very bench shell now with jump fires. I'm a boss. And that, yo, I say, oh, them, I want to this thing, brother. I say, man, but yo, the man lyrical, the man kill him lyrics at it. And guess what? Me and the man talk, brother. Like about 2 weeks before and then the man I said, we didn't do some dub plate with it. But it's a man when me and him chat regular, you know. Like, it's a man on me there, me hard, but only man who can call me any hours, I'm answer. You know what I'm saying? 3 o'clock at night. One more time, I put my phone on silent to go sleep. If my phone ring 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm see it ring, I'm see it Merciless, me open the line in the car. You see, anytime that the man they call their brother a peer joke, brother, you have to dead. And the man that's so sitting and chat, you have to laugh, you know, man. Then you know what I say? We have some dog plate with the man, I'm tell the man, say, yo, we'll meet up by studio, and instead of meet him up by Shan studio, I will meet him on by studio, like we up there, wait for him. No, we call back him and the man say, Bill, they act him that. And him a vomit and so sitting. I said, brother, don't doctor, you come and you want. But if you have bill, if you have the and man say, you want me to go. I'm telling man say, make sure you make him and go at that time. And you don't know what I say. The next day, the man came and say, yo, no, man, come here, link up, man. I'm going to link him up and dub them. Notice when the man do the dub them, brother. Like the man that have about 20 dub or 15 dub for do. And I see, the first thing I notice, which is a red light, I see man get a chair. Like, he rise in the time, man, turn on chair come and sit down and I do it dub them. So I said, sit down and do dub. After I never really see Mercy, I don't saw we do dub. Dub, I sitting where once a man said dub, we turn up a chop all 5, 6 dub, and I don't really care. So I now watch you sit down too long now. I said, you know, I go there, just sit down and want to eat. But we don't know why problem. The man do about 4 dub. I said, done. Boy, I'm not hoping about my mouth tonight. I tired me there. Some say, brother, how that? You can't have 15 dub for do or 20 dub and you do 4 and stop. And I say, no, I do not move tonight. And I just 9 o'clock. I was up. Somebody say, brother, you can't do that, man. I'll come here and I say, tomorrow and so. Anyway, you know, the next day we go there and we and him and he done up the work. The next week, we're power and still there, the man come up there. He come with his own difference, but the man get one car, man. And new brand when I under them, see? And the man I show me car, we and him still like car and a chat and when I show me both nine of them, I say, yo, I run, me go run back the place and now, right now, the car management. Both me go about and I say, DJ, then that more you do bad, man. But no want you kill a man your vehicle to drive, brother. No want you ramp with your life right now, car. The last time I want big van to drive and he must unless it's somewhere I want mix up one and the van mess up and me I say DJ, you know why, brother. You see that vehicle, you know, me no want you get no money steering, brother. You want to drive a car because you have a friend. I was glad to say you get in a new vehicle and we want you to keep it good, brother, and deal with your career general, take care of your career and stop going like say you feel like it's done or what. You're big already, you know. We are encouraging, man. But today I tell the man, say, brother, you hear me I say, man, you say all at night time, brother, I give yourself everybody and go to your yard, general, and stop sleeping in a hotel job. Because if sitting do you in a hotel, you know, you know, have nobody to rush you go on that, brother. We tell you, you tell your yard and who say your nephew, the man who ever can do that. If anything, a man can rush you go somewhere, brother. You don't need the man say to me, say, no work, not their country. So I say, brother, no work, not there nowhere right now. You know, say internet run work. Upon my phone work come to me, I can't do anywhere and do work. You know? And then like one time you have to just there one place too, or this you have to. You have to the yard where you see you and do your thing and stop. So it's not some place. You have to there, brother. But today I read the money Wednesday night in the general. The Thursday. Me did it. Me go on my bed, me dream say, Merciless go and check me and dip on the drive, we have on a cigarette. And me and him down there reason. Thursday night, me dream that, you know. If Friday, my nephew, ex-wife called me from England and I said, I talked to me and I said, boy, look how you're doing your thing and I see you doing your thing still. And she said, where's Merciless? Oh my God. He made us laugh that day, man. He's like, what do you, that man, big him up. I sent me one picture with the man and the man. Pick up, so you know, a long time picture, you know. And I said, John, well, you know what I said? I saw you DJ, if you look back, you know, what man I do this? I mean, I sure I had my brethren there, yo, look over there, my picture. I say, man, if you look back right there now, and you know, that day Friday, you know. You see Saturday, brother, I just find myself, I post back Merciless video then. For my status, for my IG, everything. Some video, I mean, our video. You see, some of them I get up, I see him thing, by myself, I do, you know. I just have posting video then, you know. I listen to this. Monday night, one brother called me from Japan, and I tell me, say, him brother want to but thing at Guyana, which artist me could I get with myself. He carry down there, and I say, I mean, man, that was Merciless. And the man I talk about holding me, and the man I chat about Merciless, you know. And the man I say, well, I mean, I want to the old dog, and I chat about man. And when the man I chat about the man, brother, I just hear one big knocking from the window, boom, 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 like give it. Brother, I say, how that? You say, me do some pull the curtain. I say, no dog, no breeze and blow, nothing at all, nah, like, me don't know why, you know. And I tell the man, say, hungry, you hear me? Now come on iPhone, I don't know what that means. If somebody I try broke you out or what, but sitting go on, you know. They don't know what say. The morning me wake up. I me feel like, you know, I wake up, I don't know what you do with your day, like, I just feel one way, like my last, you know. And I just drive to a country in a Britain and go check my cousin, you know, down at 17 and then I just don't read after the attack and I said, well, you know, so I just wake up and I feel right and just say me I drive to my country cause down the car. Me don't know why, you know, brother. I don't know what say. But then on the phone, that me see phone ring go after 3 and sound man call and say, he must send money next day, guy want 2 songs from Merciless and 1 from me. See it? And me tell him, I say, I mean, man, a simple thing, man, I want rare. And me go call Merciless, but when me look at phone, they are 3%. So when me see phone, they are 3%, me I say, I'm plug in that one and get charge, I'm done, me call out. Listen, this, brother. Phone and charge will go after 5. That's when the phone charge up and me see read 90 and plug out. When me turn on the phone general, me see, when I'm bridging from above you, call me. And then me answer him. I mean, I say, what I want? The man I say, yo, John Woodard. What that means, say, go on. Me say, we do it, yeah. John Woodard, you know, say, come like me, you say, oh, boy, drop out dog. Me say, who that? So me I say, oh, boy, who that? And the man says, boy, I'm not even want to tell you no DJ, call me, call things you hear, because I know what I say it, and, you know, but I say, brother, you have to tell me, where I tell me about drop out and you're not. And he said, boy, I don't want to say it to you, dog. And I said, who? I said, no, with DJ, man. I said, which DJ? But I said, no, Merciless. So the man said that to me now. I said, I'm joking. Merciless drop out. You're mad, man. A rumor that dog. They don't know, say, me, the man attack to me, boss, man. A bare message, me see I come in by my WhatsApp, peep, like every minute. I mean, I said, there's so much message I come in by my WhatsApp, all of us. Sit and go on. When me look, me see one of my next friend, Bram, me when new Merciless school. I call me. So me tell him the whole of them, man, we hear this man I say, man, guys, that man, I must know. You see, when me click over answer, he brother, you see, Bram, me hear the man say, John Woodard, you know, you know what I want. You see, me hear that alone, my heart drop, come here and say, Frank, this man I sound so. Sit around, the man say. Me I say, what? Yeah, man. Merciless not dead, man. Me say, what you say? The man say Merciless dead when I'm breaching the on the spot right now. Watch a thing on video call. Boy, me said, brother, at 5 o'clock, the man tell me that. And you know what time I get about that here after 11 night, yeah? It come like a world chap down on my head, God. It come like I said, Jesus Christ, what is? Oh, it's like you have a glass in your hand and it slip out and mash that. He come here and say, this your man gun, brother. Jesus Christ, the world lose again. Because the first thing come to my mind is, yo, me now get no more joke in a life again, you know, brother. Me no joke forget again, you know. The man give a joke to tell me, and my son I drive and I mean by man joke, the man I chat about the man, you know. The man tell me son, say, who me I carry you come by, go buy some fish, and my son say, what, me get a lady from someone, tell me, say me want the fish there, that I Sunday you would tell me that. So you see, night when you win that knock, I man that I call, I check him and go and check me, you know, and I tell me saying dead, you know. Because me I used to from the Monday night, the man going there, Monday night evening going there. I like from the Monday night, the man dead. See? So when we are talking about him, me and my bridging by the phone, and you hear a big knocking on the window, and not explaining, no reason and blue. It come like a man spirit calling, and I said, boy, mafia, I'm gone, you know. Brother, I want to wickedest thing about one I heard general when Merciless dead, man. The grief, I know, because it's what me know the heart of Merciless after I want good youth, I want humble person, and plus me know a lyrical capacity of this man, youth. The man full of lyrics, the man full of lyrics, daddy. And plus the man have joke, the man have talk, the man have style, and the man have love in his heart for people. You understand? So, he hurt me bad, he hurt me really deep. It's not a normal loss to the whole music industry. I don't know me want to hurt, you know, brother. A whole heap of people are hurt from Merciless.
Because I seen you at the funeral at the 9. You were everywhere. You were really supported Merciless almost like this way Merciless would have supported you if your roles were reversed?
General, the reason why I have to do that. You say me not do that, me can't forgive myself. You know?
Mm-hmm.
The way Merciless real to me and a friend that. But cannot go on like I just want normal thing like, yeah man, Merciless dead and hate. Me have to dead everywhere, brother.
Mm-hmm.
All the morning when me I go to church, me see the next man I'm like, oh, you want me to go for the funeral? Me say, brother, me have to dead everywhere. My friend I'm buried. I want to feel like the things that my friend can dead and me just stand up at all. Yeah man, I go to the graveside. Me have to dead everywhere. Night, everything me have to dead with the boss. Hey brother, me there up my man, there they are, the man set up, you know. And we out of one part, the dance I keep out on the front and on stage show. Ricky Choke for them are sitting and then I want Christian thing I go around in my yard. And brother, me out on the front. I mean in the dance stand up. And all my mind I tell me some Merciless coming up. Because we know he's here. He's a man like when we used to go up there, so if we go link him, he will around the yard and I rest up and I say, yo, man, I out on the road them and me soon come. And me I like he never them would have gone a dance and then him would have come when he wake up. So all when me out there, you know, brother, all my mind, like every minute, me have to just say, oh, this song rolling, you know. Then time the man dead yard me there, you know, brother. I see life, brother. It did when Merciless dead teach me about life, brother. Say, yo, life I want something where you have to cherish every moment, general. Because you don't know when that your time, brother. Me say, me in a man dead yard and I think say man soon coming. And I try to remind myself, I say, oh, I did the man dead dog. You know what even ask but you want to show, you know? One time Charlie Black's coming to a party, you know, dog, and we did a turn up with Charlie Black's. You know? I mean, and Charlie Black's a reason. I'm mad to tell Charlie Black, say, yeah, man, the DJ some rolling in my wrist. Me, like, in my mind to say, you know, to how it unreal if you know say I man dead, you know. You know, when me know say I man blows and skirt dead general, when me see man casket that go down in a grave now, you know. And me realize that Jesus Almighty, God, Merciless dead for you, you know. You know, say all the day when I have a viewing, 2 days before a funeral, and people are calling about, yo, you know, look for Merciless, you say, look for what? I don't want to see my friend in a grave, bad man, you want me to drop down or what? And guess what? I go in a church, man, in there, and the casket lock. I mean, I say, oh, I'm glad to that casket lock, at least I get to see Merciless in an grave. And I go up there and make me talk and whatever. And yes, when we go up, I see the grave and I see coffin. I go in a grave and I see laugh, general. Me say, me feel it. I say, no, man, dead for you, say that. And you don't know what. Then keep one stage show back out the road and showing a player and sitting out there with everybody in a brother. And you don't know what say. When it had done and everything, Mr. Remember say, me I say, blow and skirt and murder. One we left down in the bush there. Now when I go back down that in that, when I left my friends there. Because you know why I do that? I know say my friend wouldn't go left me in a bush there with the brother. Merciless is a man where the way he is with the DJ, where they go find the one, yo, we're and dead with me. And you know, so me go back down the yard and I see one of them brother. I say, yo, me and my son in the brother. I say, oh, right now, I look who I'm going to watch Merciless now before we go in. I'm good on that bush in my youth, down there where I'm buried. And when me down there, me have one monitor box in my jar. Me take out and put on the man grave and start play music on my phone. And when me down there play music and sit in a brother, I see man niece, them and nephew, them and be a bike and be a van and car, everything I come back down there when you look at a big dance, it turn out in a brother. Because me did a silicon and chat song sitting by the mic and when you look in a brother, after one, me left down there, big pot of curry chicken and cook back and with the liquor saying goodbye back in. And me tell you, whole night with the money. Before me could have left in a general and say, why, at least, the man gone down. And me know say, yes, actually, he did this. Right now, we are planning to go up, they go cook food Christmas Day and sit down one only for things same with that. Our real friend that, who can't turn we back on him. I mean, nah, say nothing bad about him and try to kill his legacy. Because I know say I want good you. Merciless a general. Real DJ will do this and mash up the place and prove say in great. So we can't take what that from him. I saw me here with that. I realist. I not follow illusion and what people are say about man. And when me know, me say, you hear me? I tell you?
No, because when you went up there and said, yo, listen, this man is my only musical brethren from 1992, I said, yo, that right there, I felt that one. I said, okay, I see you.
Brother, the man I'm a friend with your woman. Sometimes I meet the man around a Black Scorpio and the man, brother, I tell the man, say, I go bus and the man bus. And you know what? The man never let me out yet. And the man just bus. The man I drive one brown for the start and the man, I come for me around and see the guy every morning. When the man go on the road, I say, I'm dear man, no, I left you in a green way. I'm a brother, man, well, I'm on believe that the thing, you know. And then time the man there, over there, the man live like Carty train line. I'm over Punish Town with the man, brother. Everywhere we got stage show, mash up the place, whatever. And then the man stays up, boom, and tear off the thing and buy a big fat beamer in a dog. Them time you know, like me start drive to now in a street. And if me go a studio and see Merciless, me have to left my car in the car when I drive, me have to left that a studio. And you go, you say, I be my front with the America. Oh, I'm blowing board. People were rolling up my field. No, let's go that is, you know. We are power. And me say, we feel good for man and that brother, and I say, what you mean? But like why man I roll and look where man do it. And I would ever humble, no matter where man do much money or what. The man never yet show up and diss up people. And when the man get all deport from America, come here in a brother. Brother, and me have a man in my car front of me, way up with him. As a DJ, man, I left you out, you know. And the man stays up. And when the man go a sting, I made the man I said, Mafia, where will you sing say a sting? And me say, me dey run a price right. I hear one club going upstairs and Chris Brown sang a play. I don't need the room. I don't need it. I say, brother, you hear that song there? Right now, them the type of city have to turn in a limit and make Jamaica people say you come back fresh. I make go upstairs with one blouse and skirt tongue driver and tell you to put that song up on a tongue driver. And the man put his song by the tongue driver. With me and the man wire waiter. Let's go up a wire base, you know. And the man gone in the house and drop asleep. I'm sit down on a back and I teach you. Fine, the song, you know. What they want me to do? Boy, flip the Medina too. Maro flash all over Jam World tonight. Maro flash all over Jam World tonight. Boy, me no business a who. Boy, warrant no afraid of no crew. Maro flash all over Jam World tonight. Maro flash all over Jam World tonight. Cabra Hakuad, Boti Aboaz, Angel take with me say. Hey, think I'm a shit, man.
Yeah.
I'm a boss. Man.
Merciless.
Big boy, man, there. Big boy, boss, there. You may tell you. Big up Merciless family, them. Big up Mama Ekel. Big up the man, sister, them, man, brother, them. Hey, man, family, them, they love Merciless. Body, no, brother. Because you don't know what. Merciless show them love general.
Mm-hmm.
The man needs make a speech in a dead yard. Say, oh, Uncle Lenny, no matter what, Uncle Lenny always a call and a check up on me. Mm-hmm. And he said, oh, even Uncle Lenny, Uncle Lenny plan to keep them birthday next year. And what? And the man gone left her and she said, oh, she can't. You see me here, little girl that and sitting there, yeah, full of water, man, say, blouse and skirt. It's when you have family and they appreciate that one great thing, brother. Never have family with this, me alone no good for them in my youth. Some of my family them are wicked. Me have big up Merciless family. Merciless have good family around him in general.
Mm-hmm.
Mama Ekel, big up yourself. I want good you with your grow. When my son grandmother tell me say she used to run shop over Turners, you know, back in the days. And she said then the Merciless coming to the shop at DJ, you know. Mm-hmm. She can't be here if somebody had a be nice in the shop and he will count a beat down, you know. That time the man no boss yet, you know. Until she have to run him out of the shop sometime. I said, boy, come out here with the nice man, come and get here. And she has said when the man boss, she not even know say him boss, you know.
Hmm.
Because I hear she start hear about this Merciless, but she didn't know him as sugar demons. And one day somebody tell her, I said, yo, do you hear them Merciless? No mistake, son, man, boy, I was down. She said, I'll jump in there and drop down, you know. I said, no, but here what she said to me. All what I want, but no say Indeed, I go somewhere because everything where you talk about that more that pay sensible lyrics man attack. Your lyrics them used to make sense and another couple boy I got. Everything you talk, you have relax, pay you work. So you see, from you have real talent, brother. Even if the world don't know you yet, people is there to tell the story. You never live a world without a weakness, brother. And enough people know me from a little. I tell me, say, brother, I mean, no saying that I go do something with music because, boy, you have it for sure. You see what I say?
Mm-hmm.
A real talent, brother. When a man have talent, don't try to discredit him talent, and I try to take you, man. I put him down, man. Just give thanks for the world, brother. The world set up by different people. You one cannot get every glory. You do interviews, you have your platform. There are other people who doing interview and have them platform. Big up all of them. You're not going to say, oh, I mean, you must hungry and me one and that. I know you one, brother, you have people do what you do, but you still have the art to know that, yes, them are do good and me appreciate them too. That is what make your work. That is what make your work rewarding because other people doing your work too. You understand?
For sure, you get it. I got two last questions before I get you out here, because this conversation, Mafia, has been nothing short of what I knew it was going to be. Your storytelling ability is on a next freaking level. You just bring the people right into the story so we feel like we were there, we were at the dance, we were in the studio, we were in the car, we were everywhere because of how you picture the story, how you tell it. You understand?
Yeah.
Two last ones I got for you here.
Yeah.
Health scare. You had a health scare 2020 or 2021?
2018, you know?
2018.
Yeah.
Okay, 2018 was the heart attack?
Well, it was not attack, you know. I don't know why that dopey joke man that me had, you know, because, you know, say, I did my birthday day before I was out a party and I drink some juice and rare, you know, so. We go in now and it's like say, me tell you now and me drop asleep and wake up. In like 6 o'clock, like me want urinate. So me go to the bathroom and when me done now, me come back in the room and lie down and me I feel like one like a sticking pain under my side. I mean I say, how what is that? But me I take it normal, you know. You see what I say? So after a while I feel like it a continue. I'm not kind of pain this. So I stay and call my cousin downstairs and I say, yo, brother, make a cup of tea for me. And the man make it tea and carry upstairs and then when the man come and give me tea, me sit down out in the living room, so wait. I mean, wait, say pain, I go where I feel start get worse. And when me look, he start get a way come like me and say, no, man, at hospital, me have to go in this now, work, you know, this, I know me this normally. Brother, when me look, you know, by the time I can't when I rush my hospital, when I time I feel like my breath up, I want like the whole place I get dark and me say, what is that? And when I reach up at hospital, the time I broke his stoplight, I met the man saying, but I broke his stoplight, can be dead already. Can me feel say me dead. You don't know what that. When I reach the hospital, them take me the quick and I tell them say, very and then give me one injection and I drop asleep, brother. For 5 hours when me wake up after 11. I don't feel no way again. Everything gone, everything just done away and they want to have me up there like they want to cut me and one bagasse they want to do me now. I want to send me upstairs now one part and the man will push it Charlie. He wheelchair with me and say, DJ, we doing me yo. Anybody go in another room, then I leave to come out and then try and way I do know. But then cut you and do nothing to you, brother. If you feel all right, then yeah, if you go in. But when they do it test them, they say it was not a heart attack nor nothing. So me I say, nah, turning on me gone and me hard and me cut. And then the other day again, we did have a little next thing what day when me feel sick what day, you know. See it? And you don't know what's that. Me I feel one pain under my side and me they afraid to go check out here. Because me I said, then if I'm a kidney, I me that me dead already. But one day, you know, like me I pass and I go studio and me just feel that way and me turn in the doctor office and then test me. The man say me nah pee on time and that cause you infection and it leak and I swell up one tube will go to my kidney. And one antibiotic injection, and when me look for that, me not feel like I be in there again. So that me I tell a man say, yo, you see doctor as an artist or as man Jamaican man from the world, then love go a doctor. But if you go a doctor when you're not sick and go check out on yourself, brother, because you are a doctor that will save your life. To me left feel the time. Me I said, John, what can I pay in this? And from me get the hey brother, from me get the injection, me see the bright up so. And me just start feel different. And the man say, yo, you need to go and do a blood works and test your blood and test what everything we know. And you see, by say that, me never hesitate. The next morning, me go do that. I mean, the man have a result, and me not get the result, and me afraid I wonder, what is a man as a panel that you know I tell him. And when the man call me and me hear man, I say, yo, your heart good, your liver good, your kidney good, your disc good, man tell him about everything we good. I say, when you drop down after me there, I think I'm a casket, me I forgot to put now. I tell the man, I tell him, say, everything good, like most things good. And he said, me dip on the borderline with sugar. So, me for just change up my diet and do some exercise. And at that, me dip on right now. I'm no white rice, no white bread, no sugar. I no use sugar. See, I eat no fried chicken. I eat brown rice and vegetable and anything there. I do my exercise at daytime and I walk up and down and anything there. And I tell you, me never go to that time. You didn't know that. But enough things could have happened. But the doctor said to me, boy, you're in a good condition because enough man come in and I feel bad news, brother. You're inside good. So just take care of yourself. So, may I tell you, who I'm on them out there, everybody say, yo, check by yourself. You hear what I say? Because you will sit down and you feel one way and you're afraid to go to doctor. He said that. That's why woman live longer, man, you know. Because woman feel one pain, then go and check out the walk with them. We, you know, through we are man now, we feel like I say, yo, you know, I'm not doing man, we're so all right. All right, man, I think you're all right. You're dead. Go on that, go make sure that you're all right. You know what I say? Blood test everything and get the thing up. Give thanks for life, yeah, man. Be there, man.
Mafia, amazing, great, epic conversation. The last one I have for you. You've been in this business from early 90s until right now, 2022. When would you say has been the highest point in your career? And when has been the lowest point in your career thus far?
Well, I'm going to go through high and low until hey, we go through high and low until I can't remember them, brother. So we carry on going like our journey. So I'm going to tell you, when we go a sting, I get that the big boo there was jammer. Our low point, I'm carry that. Low, you know. Come start things I done, my career done, you know. And then missing which part, it rise up back, you know. And then when we go a fully loaded again, and then mix it say, then this me and the in Missouri, we start say a low point again. And in a low this, me still a push on and I say, yo, real, and when we go I take real loaded, I want high point again. See it? I know. Me and Beenie Man part, when you look me and Beenie Man top part, people start say, yo, where and them talk about that thing, I feel like me I go mash up. I'm still there doing thing, I'm see that work now, which part I know, I'll be sitting in a line up the next year and that. Some country, I never go yet when me people call me both show and sitting now. So I want to high point that you work and spread around the world. If I never COVID, me that all about already, about 3 COVID did come in. Right in high time when me I do something, I have a tune in 2020 me. And where we have some tune I play and people did want book me and when you look COVID go come in, you have a return money in that. And COVID done now, I'm still there and people are calling me and I say, yo, rare. I'm meeting them a line up for me move go tour now and entertain me people and me start get bookings now in a Jamaica where people are book me for a show and pay me actual money. Enough time Jamaica now book you. You understand? Because you have to really do something in the music to get bookings at Jamaica. I see promoter there a foreigner call me and say, yo, me actually thing, you know. In a month, you know, don't agree with me. Mafia, we have to put up on it right now. Really. I didn't get things. I see me there in the street last night. Me there, me been last night. I see someone who tap me and say, boy, Mafia, you think out there, I will see you, but the thing I can't see you. So, is that thing where, for me high and for me lower virgin, for me high, it's just for all with more set. Me have the ability to do something in the music when music can really, people can appreciate. And the lower, me have too much lower. To mention one specific low say, boy, you know, at that time. Enough. So in this game, ups and down, brother. And you see when the down them come, I just plan back to the next up because I never yet I do it on the down and I say, I hit this no one, boy, everything mash up. You see, how will you tell yourself? If you tell yourself that you mash up, you just mash up, brother. But you see, no matter what people say about you, for you have your hopes up and keep your mind on that prize that way, you know, say, I can't give up, you know, God, this me do, you know. I look back, you know, no, down thing, you know, I'm thinking. So you see, down, you have to use it and turn it up. So when they say, when life fling, what you say, when life fling,
gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
Yeah, mix drinks with you and drink. I saw me do it, brother. Because I got a big stage one. When I go a sting in a brother, and Ninja Man thing I read, I feel like I done my career done. When I got Bahamas to do show with Biggie Smalls, I run with people around and well, must get and I say, this man, I bravest man in Jamaica, I like you can see it. The man go for the car, Ninja Man, well, we respect you, man. But Ninja Man is the boss in Clash and you really went to take you. So people look on it different over the world and I said, yo, this man, I have something, man. Can you have to understand, say, music, I want to show in a brother. So, when you watch a movie, and a man dead in a movie, I know you know saying dead in a movie, and I hear you saying this dead in a movie. And you see him back on the road, you still have to say, gee, that you know this a man that did not show to wear it. So at that way, you know, say, music business is show business, so nothing done personal. If me dead in a show tonight, tomorrow morning, me walk back to mash up the place again. And anytime you can have that mentality, then nothing can stop you. You understand? I don't take music personal, brother. That's why I don't hear no artist. I be love me say to the whole of the music industry. I will fight me. I will slick at them when I play my song. I love them and rate them sing me. Because Uno show me say I don't need Uno. Because right now Uno not have to play my song. Because when I do a song, brother, all I do I put one video by Instagram and Facebook and some place. And when I look radio man private way in Ireland, I call me, send me that song, my boy. And when I look people that play everything in England, Canada, Australia, Africa, everywhere. When I worry about some people that them one man die, but me still a live. Them treat me bad, but me still a give. With the Almighty, me no break me promise. Genuine and real, them can't call me honest. Them one muscle die, but him still a live. Treat him bad, but him still a give. With the Almighty, when I break my promise. Genuine and real, them can't call me honest. I from me small, me I put people before me. When I start them, I try to take me glory. Not even my sick and no half me story. You think I like go ask people one rory. Me head back with gunshot, them one worry. But when me heart attacks, I never ignore me. Shadow me career and them no want the real friend know me. And not even want to pay me off with them hold me. Them one man die, but me still a live. Entertainment Report Podcast. Maddest thing from the world map, you know.
Mafia, thank you so much for sitting down for this mega, super mega crazy conversation. And what I've learned, again, I've known your story for a while. What I've learned, especially talking to you tonight, was, especially from a child, you just wanted to be accepted. You just wanted to be seen and accepted by people for what the good stuff that you do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that was it. You like the attention and then you like the acceptance. That's why in certain situations, you're very loyal because you just want to be accepted for you because your childhood was so turbulent. You understand?
Yeah. But you really tell yourself, brother, you have to do what God say you have to do.
Yeah. You get it.
Happiness is a man. Life. Love. Tell you them to stop killing one another. You know what I say? I tell you woman them stop go to cosmetic surgery and kill off themselves. Yeah?
Good one.
Love.
Floor is yours right now. Anybody you want to big up, anything you want to say, leave some contact information where they could book you for bookings, dub plates, all of that. Floor is yours right now before we go.
Real DON MAFIA, man, on Instagram, man. And you know, say Facebook, DON MAFIA, UDA, UDAH. I know, say DON MAFIA, Vivo, and YouTube are real DON MAFIA on YouTube still. DON MAFIA, UDA, and TikTok. Anyone I platform them, man, link up, straight music, production. Big up Dave Wallace up in foreign, see me? Real general, see me? Big up Rasa Carrot, my boss, and Dean on the whole team. And you know, say South Africa will come in, see? And you know, say right now, the whole of my fans, them worldwide, me love you know, and respect you know. Because without you know, the encouragement don't give me alone, I make me keep doing music because without Uno tell me, say, yo, dog, do the thing more time, I me that give up with you. But when me think how people love me and respect what me do, me cannot give up my own. Pick up the whole of England, Canada, America, Jamaica, the whole Caribbean, yo, Panama, the whole place. And I say, Don Mafia is here to stay. Nobody can stop with it. No matter what them I do. No matter if them a fight and a girl and we still a do music. People like your bad mind family and your bad mind friend them. Punish Town, yo, Kingston, you don't know me, Pen Clarendon, Prime Suspect, me general, yo, Fuji, the whole crew, Silver Cat, big up on a self-race chat, yo, I want to them, Monday for people, them, huh? Yo, yeah, hear me St. Elizabeth, don't know, I'm a place same way. Mobile, who are Jamaica, brother, who Jamaica, my brother. I love and respect. Come make we build back Jamaica. Every square and every inch and every acre. When me say, come make we build back Jamaica. The skull bounty killer, I'm a ghetto gladiator. When me say, come make we build back Jamaica. Have to do it now. We cannot wait until later. Anyway, come make we build back Jamaica. Did you say stop take me credit when me family go theater? Must say, you don't know. Big up yourself, my boss. Straight.
Mafia, thank you so much. Let me give you an outro and get you out of here because this conversation freaking epic. And before we leave, I want people them to check out Mafia's new song, Ready. Visuals and song. Check it out on Spotify, check it out on YouTube, everywhere. His new song.
Big up all their music that them produce that one there. I'm big up all the producers them where me tropical, the whole crew. I don't know. Go out them want me now back down me ready. That I new thing.
You see it there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Mad.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinemusichut.com.